Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys real quick. I wasn't always the most well-behaved kid growing up. Back when I was younger, I had a bedtime of like 9 p.m. So I would tell my parents I'm going to bed, but then secretly under the covers, I'd be on my phone or like playing on a DS or something. And then anytime my dad would walk in, I would just pretend to sleep. But to be honest, I don't think I'm alone. I think a lot of other people have done that, which is why we're playing this game, Time for Bed. In this nightmare, Mother watches over as she patrols in the dark of night. To escape, avoid being seen awake and complete your handheld games while Mother isn't watching. So this is literally about trying to play video games while your mom doesn't catch you. Okay, the game already looks terrifying. Let's lock in. Select stage. Silly slime. Okay, obviously stage 1. Give me that. This is gonna be so scary, but I'm ready. I've been told a lot of things about this. It's all over if mom catches you playing video games past your bedtime. To escape this nightmare, pretend to be asleep and complete your handheld games. By the way, guys, there's a caution warning. If you have high blood pressure, heart problems, and if you're old, please be careful with watching this video. All right, let's go. If you pretend to be asleep for too long, anxiety will set in and blur your vision of your mother. And this is what the game actually looks like. So this is what we have to beat before our mom catches us. Okay. Oh, wait. Am I playing Among Us? Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. But how do I pretend to sleep? Oh, okay, there we go. I want to look around my room, though. I don't want to play the game yet. Where's my mommy? Wait, I hear her. I hear her. Mom? She's walking downstairs. Y'all hear her? Oh, I saw her shadow. Okay, I'm just gonna play my game, Mom. I can't really look around this very well. Yeah. Get me to the exit. Oh, Mom's here. Hi, Mom. Hi. Are you gonna kill me? Why do you have robot eyes? Mom? I'm starting to get anxious. The anxiety's setting in, Mom. Go away. Okay. I think she's gone now. Oh, I see her shadow. I'm not worried. Okay, how do I dash? You said I can go a lot faster in this game. Dude, this is hard. I have to look both. Oh, is she coming? Mom? Mom? Wait. Okay, I thought that was a doorway. She can't come in through there, right? Oh, she's coming up. Oh my goodness, my peripheral vision is on point, bro. What in the Martin is going on? Mother, don't worry about a thing. I'm just asleep. Okay? Oh my god. Mom, you don't look right. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, okay. Her shadow scared me. Sorry. Dude, these levels are weird. This is gonna get so hard. I can already tell, bro. This is only like level 2. Alright, we're locked. Oh my god. Wait, there's spikes. Okay, these levels actually are getting harder. Mom's coming up. Don't tell me you get faster in the other levels, please. Oh! Why are you looking at me like that? Mom, you're not suspicious. You don't know a thing. Okay. It's weird. I have to like switch between focusing on this game and then focusing in real life. I'm like disoriented right now. Boom. Okay. Oh god, I gotta dodge these spikes. Brother Martin? Mom? Mom, chill. Oh my god, Mom, chill. Stop. I'm not being a bad boy. I'm being a good boy. Sorry. Mom, what are you so worried? Why are you watching me so heavily? You know, you came up here like 5 times in the past minute. Alright. Thank you, Mom. Well, this is actually low-key easy. Oh, I just lost a life. Bro, I'm so buns. Okay. Huh? Why do I hear random stuff? Y'all hear that bed creaking sound? Alright. I'm just not even gonna worry. Oh! Mom, go away. Why are you so worried about me? Leave me alone. Alright. Everything chill? Alright. Cool. Thanks. Okay, Martin. I see a health right there. I would like to grab it. If I didn't lose my life to that spike, this would be easier, but that's fine. Thank you. Okay. Oh, are those drones? Ain't no way. Mom's not coming up yet. I'm low-key kind of buns. I just have to sprint past it. Oh! Hi. Mom, don't worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing. Okay. I wonder how much time I have. Hello? What was that sound? You know what? Thanks for the random jump scare sound. I hope that wasn't actually anything here to kill me. Oh god. Alright, we're done. Wait, 10 out of 20? Oh, we have to complete 20 levels? Boy, you have got to be kidding me. Is Mom coming? Mom? Why do I hear bed creaking sounds? That's scaring me. I don't like it. Oh! Oh my god! Why are you looking at me through the stairs? Stop it. Stop it, Mom. I'm stuck in the mud. Oh, no, I'm stuck in the mud. Oh, my God. Mom. Mom, now's not a good time. I saw your shadow, Mom. Yeah, you go back down. Don't you worry about a thing. Your shadow is scaring me over there. Okay. Yo. Oh! Yo! Can you chill? How did you get here so fast? How did... Oh my god! Mom! You're freaky! Can I go back to playing video games? I just lost the line! Oh, I'm scared. Okay, I'm genuinely terrified right now. Stop, Mom. Okay. Yep. Oh! Why? What am I doing wrong? Why are you crawling up here like that? You are so freakish. Oh. Okay. Wow. I do not want to get jump scared by you. Not even a little bit. Do I have to wait for your shadow? Oh my god. Oh my god, you're coming back, aren't you? I saw your shadow again. Do I even grab that health bar? I'm gonna try it. Don't worry. Nothing's going on. Alright, you go back to your tea or something. Alright, I'm gonna grab this. Oh, I just pressed space on accident. Mom! Hi. Oh, stop it. Why are you coming back up here? Z? Wait, what do you mean Z? What do you mean Z? I'm pressing Z. Ah!
I told you.
It was telling me to press Z. I don't know what you wanted me to do. Dude, what is my mom doing? My anxiety's setting in. Go away. Okay, well, pretty much back to where I was. I just need to get up 3 more levels, but mom is being real annoying. Also, we got different levels this time. I gotta find a safe spot every single time my mom comes up like that. See? Oh my goodness. I wonder if I still have time even when she's on the stairs like that. Okay, we're back on 10. Mom's coming up. Mom? Are you coming up? I'm gonna assume not. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here. This is like a little safe spot for myself. Mother? Oh, hi. You don't know a thing. Oh, you're still coming up here, huh? Don't worry about me. Okay, wait. Z. I'm pressing Z. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm snoring. That's what this was. Okay. I'm just sleeping, Mom. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh, my anxiety is getting to me, Mom. Oh my god. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm right there. See, I'm like losing my position in the actual game. Oh my god, Mom. Don't you come up right now, please. Let me at least get to a safe point in the game. Oh wait, the exit's up there. What am I? Bro, am I buns? How did I not see the exit? It's hard to pay attention to both you and the game, Mom, so. Oh my. Of course you're coming upstairs. This is literally so annoying. Mom, my heart is beating so fast out of my chest right now. Please, go away. No. Oh, am I cooked? Am I cooked? Yeah. Video games. Okay, video games calm my anxiety. Mom, don't you worry about a thing. Oh, God. Oh, please don't kill me now. Okay, this is a safe point. She's not coming up, right? I'm gonna go for that heart at the top. Oi! Stop it! What is... Something crawling around me or something? Don't you make me snore now. Oh my... I'm gonna get so anxious and I'm gonna die because of you. Yep, just snoring. Oh, there's more. Just snoring over here. Don't you worry about a thing. Good. My screen's starting to get red again. If you could please leave. Thank you. Robot mother. Alright, back to my game. And go. Nice. And now... Oh! Why did it do that? Did y'all see that? Man, I just grabbed that heart for nothing. That was a waste of my time. All right, please don't come up right now, Mom. Okay, that's fine. I'm at a save point, okay? You can't do nothing. Yeah, that's right. You go back down. Thank you very much. All right, don't lose a life here. Cash, you're not buns. You're good at this game, right? I think. Oh! God, I'm switching my attention every 2 seconds because of you. Okay, yeah, I think you're gone. Maybe I have to look at the direction of her shadow. That'd probably help a lot. Oh, my Among Us character is gonna die. Oh, how do I even get... How do I... Where's my mom at? I have to get past these spikes real quick. Okay, I think this is a better spot. And make a run for it. Boom. Okay. Did the lights turn off? Oh! Oh my goodness. Why did I go back to my game right there? That was dumb. Are you gonna make me snore again, Mom? No, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mom? Stop playing with that. I might be able to play my game when Mother's turned away. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Mom? Oh, don't you get up right now. I see you. I'm not playing my game until you're downstairs. All right? Okay? Can you go now? Mother? She turned away right now? I can't even tell. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to wait for these spikes. Wait, are these spikes just not gonna go away? No! Oh my god! Did I get to a safe spot in the game? I couldn't even tell. If there's a blade hitting me, I'm dead. Aw, Buns. Can you... Wait, you're looking away. Oh, I just got hit. Okay, wait, hold on. Guys, this might be groundbreaking. I think my game's paused right now. I think it pauses every single time I put it down. Dude, these spikes move so weirdly. Hi. Don't worry about a thing, Mom. Okay? What are you looking at? You're just being all random now. There's no point for you to be up here. Okay, she's over there. Dude, this is impossible. How am I supposed to focus on two things at once? I'm trying to figure out the timing. Ah! What? I just lost a life, bruh. Dude, I just lost 2 lives. Oh my god. I have 4 levels left, though. Okay, I have to wait for these spikes to go away, and then... Jeez. Wow, this is level 1. This is the start of the game, really. Okay, you're turned away. I don't care about you. I'm gonna make a run for it. Please don't turn your head at me, Mom. Mother? Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, how in the world? Okay, I need to get to that point. Oh, Mom, you are weird. Yep. Look that way. Can I play my game while you're looking over there? Mom? Oh, wait! Ah! Okay, so as long as I'm not in her laser vision, I'm chill. Oh, no. She got sus. Okay, wait. Why is it so much faster? Why is it so much faster now? I'm snoring. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh, my God. Okay, go away. Please, Martin. Yes, turn that way. Oh, I cannot focus on this right now. Okay, we go now. Oh, Mom, don't you worry about a thing. Yo, I had to make a run for it right there, Mom. You don't understand. I can't pause the game right now. I need these hearts. Ouch. I just lost some hearts. Okay, we're on level 18 out of 20 right now. Do I go? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna stand right here. Mother, I know you're gonna look over here. I knew it. Yeah, nice try. Oh, you're gonna get sus of me, aren't you? Wait, you're not. I damn bet. I'm gonna go back to playing my game then. Thank you very much. How in the world do I get across this? Mom, you okay? Mom? Okay, I hope you're okay over there. All right, I'm gonna stand right here. Oh my god, this is impossible. Oh, this is genuinely one of the hardest. Dude, okay, I had to lose a life right there. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Don't you worry about a thing. Listen, I'm good at this. Oh! I used to do this when I was a kid in real life. Aw. Stop making me snore. I mean, for real, bruh. All right. At least this part's kind of easy. Unless it just throws a curveball and does one that's 1,000,000 miles an hour. Boom. Good enough for you? Good? Alright. Cool. I'm going back to my game. Thank you very much, Mom. Now, how in the world am I supposed to... Yo, this has got to be impossible. Dude, okay. This is literally impossible. Okay, we're on 19 out of 20, though. I'm gonna win! Mom, I'm gonna win. Stop. Okay, yeah, okay, you can go sit down. That's fine. That's cool with me. I'm just gonna go through the mud here. I think that's the safest bet. And then I gotta make a run for... I just lost a life. I'm on 2 lives now. Because of you, Mom. You're making me lose my game. If only you understood! You can't pause an online game, Mom. Although I'm pretty sure it's single player. Doesn't even matter. You good? Oh, what in the world? There is no way you expect me to complete that last level. Okay, I could do it. I could lock in. Sit down, please. Yes! Thank you. Okay, good. Let me lock in for a little bit, Mother. So where's the next safe spot to be in? I don't even know. There's like no safe points. Oh, no. Okay, I think I gotta go right here and then go right here. Oh, how did I touch that? Dude, I swear I did. Oh my god, I was right above the spikes. Go away, Mom. You're starting to annoy me now. I'm just trying to win this game. You're gonna make me rage at you. Okay, I gotta make a run for it. Oh! 20 out of 20. Wait, I did it. How do I beat the game now?
I'll let you finish the game. Here's something to play instead.
What? I don't want that. Boom! Oh my goodness. Okay, stage 1 cleared. We did it. Let's move on to the next stage. I can't believe it's gonna get harder than this. This is already impossible. I don't even know what it looks like on the YouTube video, but for me, switching my attention is, I don't know, apparently very hard. Oh, now we got a different... What? Okay, well, this is what my room looks like now. And now I got Space Invaders? Wait, what? Oh, wait, this is actually slight work, though. I hear Oh, Mom's looking through the window now? Is she gonna... Oh, there's 2 sides? Okay. Well, that's gonna be very hard. I guess I just have to listen to, like, where she's at. Oh! I just died. Oops. I wasn't paying attention to the game. I didn't realize stuff... What is that? Yeah, that was cheap. I knew that was coming. I'm not even scared. Okay, so I gotta make sure to watch out for anything shooting back at me. I thought this was gonna be an easy game, and all I had to do was just stand still, but apparently not. And I gotta listen for where my mom is. Okay, let's just clear out this side and then go right here. Mom? Oh, Mom. Okay, she's stepping on the right. Stepping on the right. You good? Okay. I think she's good. She just went away. Now let's keep shooting our balls at these different things. I don't even know what that is. That looks like a bug. Alright, luckily we only got 8 levels though. Oh, Mom. Mom, chill. What? Are you behind me, Mom? Can you see me? Thanks. Wow. So you can come up behind me now. So that's what we're doing. Okay, I have to listen so hard. What are the... Am I hearing footsteps? Oh, okay. Now you're over there. Dude, I swear if she comes to the door, I might tweak. Thank you. Let's lock in. Can I just destroy this? And can I clear the level? Oh! Oh, choose one reward. Quick shot. Wait. God! Alright, quick shot. Give me that. Oh, way better. Way better. Ugh! Oh my goodness, you're looking at me? Jeez! You didn't see a thing. Okay, I think she's gonna come from there now. Okay, got that level. Oh, it was not the end of the level. There's more. Okay, lock in. Get the blue guy. Hurry up. Oh, God. Mom, you better hope my game is paused. She gone? I think she's gone. Dude, this is hard. I have to listen for her and also make sure I'm checking the right side. What side is she even on? I'm so scared. I can't even focus on the game sometimes. Oi! She was right there. Okay. If I'm ever AFK on the game, just know I'm trying to look at her in real life. So if you see me like stand in a safe spot for too long, that's what I'm doing. She around? Mom? All right. How in the world do I defeat this when they're shooting bullets at me? Oh, boom. Like that. Oh my God, Mom. Oh my God! I was not in a safe spot for you to come up to me. I'm gonna cry. Literally, bro. Okay, is that the end of that level? Yes. Okay, lives. I want lives because I'm gonna take a lot of damage. All right. You're right behind me. All right, cool. She's going away. Thank you. Aw, stop with the thunder. I hate when there's like loud sounds when I'm supposed to be listening to something. Like, how am I supposed to hear her footsteps when I'm hearing thunder? And how am I supposed to look in 3 different directions while playing a game? I'm using 100% of my brain right now. This is the smartest I've ever felt. Oh, I see you there. Okay, realistically, I just have to listen for the footsteps. And I'm chilling. I think I'll be fine. Okay, lock in on the game. Listen for the footsteps. Boom. And boom. All right, last one's over here. Oh, we're good. I don't like the thunder, bro. I can't hear her footsteps if you're doing that. Oh, God, she's here. Okay. Mother? Go away. Let me complete this level real quick. Then I'll worry about you. Are you coming back? Wait, a bomb? I want a bomb. Give me that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Mom? Mom? You did not see anything. Yeah, right? Okay, good. Mother, you're making this impossible. What? Did my power go out? Oh my God, that scared me so bad. Oh, okay. Mom, just leave me be for like 5 seconds, please. I mean, seriously. Oh, come on. Dude, I just lost a life. I'm trying to pay attention to the outside too much. What am I doing? Oh, he's almost dead. Okay, yep, she's coming up. Good thing I went to bed. Good thing I went to sleep. Was never playing a game at all. All right. Okay, we beat the level. Aircraft +1. Is that gonna make me faster? Oh! I hear my mommy. I think she's chill, though. I hope she's chill, at least. Oh, my God. I can't pay attention right now. Yo. Oh, the doorway. Wait, what? Are you gonna leave that thing open? No. Oh my gosh, stop it with the snoring, bro. Oh, and it's faster. Oh, it's way faster. Wow, that is very fast. I'm getting anxious, Mom. Mom, I'm getting anxious. Can you leave? Mom. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I have to worry about 4 directions. Wow, that is fabulous. I love it. Thank you very much for that. Can I kill this thing? Oh my God. Kill. I forgot the button for a second. I forgot the button to go to bed for a second. I almost tweaked. You're gone? All right, bet. I'm gonna kill this airplane then, if that's cool with you. Oh, your footsteps are very... Wow, thank goodness I looked back. Nothing's going on. You're staring at me way too long. Okay, she's gonna come that way now. I'm just gonna keep my camera in between the 2 places she could be. I think that's the smartest plan. 'Cause I don't think she can go back to my right side now. What is that? Do I worry about that? Oh! No, but I guess I worry about that, though. Don't worry. I'm just a little kid sleeping. Okay, wait, I hear her. She's that way. Give me a quick shot. I haven't been losing too many lives now. Mother, are you coming here? Oh, you're coming here. Wow. God, it is so hard to know where you're at sometimes. Good night. Thank you for that. Are you coming back around? What in the world am I looking at? Am I hallucinating? Don't tell me I'm hallucinating, Mom. All right, you have fun. Are you gonna come around the window now? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is impossible. Yep. This is impossible. All right. Go away, please. Well, there's something on the floor beneath me. I'm just gonna ignore that. Do I have to worry about it? Mother? Where you at? Oh my God. Oh my God, you're right there. Can we go back to the first level where you can only come from one spot? That was so much easier. No? All right. I don't know why we're in this house right now. I thought we had a nice home. And you're meaning to tell me... Really? Wow. Why in the world? Oh God. Oh God. I need lives. Oh, well, that was a toughie. Good thing I went to bed. Sorry. Let me stop. Okay, you're doing a double take right now, Mom. Oh! Why is she crawling? She's getting angry. Okay, really, Martin? Are you serious? Wow. How does she get so fast so quick? Oh my God, that scared me. Okay, well, I was gonna tell you guys that I'm back up to that point, but of course the game does that again. Thank you. I'm back up to 5 out of 8. Mom is being very annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Give me 3 aircrafts. Lock in. Okay, I got a whole different game plan now. And that is to just focus on the game a little more and only worry about Mom if I hear something. I hear something? Alright, there we go. Yep, she's gonna make me do the snoring again. I know. Mother, you are so annoying. I'm gonna demolish you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mom? I really need you to go away soon because I'm getting really anxious. Please. Thank you. All right, cool. Bet. She's going to start crawling soon, too. She's outside right now. Trying to keep track. Oh, she's right there right now. Wow. Well. You good? Why do you care so much about me playing video games? Why even let me have it in the first place? Huh? Oh. Hi. I'm just a little derpy bean. Totally not playing nothing. All right. Oh, my God. Dude. See, this was what I don't...
The first letter is from Sam, and it reads, Help me. She is always watching me and punishing me. I really want to... this nightmare.
What? Why is the radio playing right now? Hey, can you chill? Please? Can I play my game? Oh my god. Dude, there's so much stuff to dodge now. Mother? Mother? Whoa. So glad I saw your eyes. Stop it! Stop it! Oh my god. I can't hear her footsteps when you're doing that. Oh my goodness, bro. That TV is so annoying. Go away. Go away. Oh, she's gonna start crawling soon, bro. Oh, it's right as I get to level 6, right? All right. Stop. That rabbit made me accidentally choose more lives. Okay, is she gonna start crawling now? Mother? Mother, I don't know where you're at. Oh, wait, I hear you. I hear you outside. Hello. You did not see a thing. Oh my gosh, can you hurry up? She's like standing out for so long, bro. Please, please lock in, Mom. You're being an L teammate right now. Why do I hear that? You got a voice box? You going away? All right, cool. Thank you very much. I'm literally gonna be on level 7 soon. 6, 7. You know what I mean? So please, let me complete this before you kill me, Mom. Please. Oh, she's coming back. I hear her. I hear her. Good night. Night, 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 night. Nothing going on here. Okay, perfect. Yes. Yes. Okay, reflective shield. Give me that. I'm on level 7. Oh! What in the world? What was that? Where is she? I can't hear anything. Oh, she's right there. Oh my goodness. Dude, her footsteps are so hidden. Go away. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get this left side first. Clear it out. Ouch. Ouch. I literally have a reflective shield. This should be helping. Right? Oh! What is... hey. Stop it. Please. Please stop it. Go away. Oh, go away. Oh my god. Yes. Let me complete this. Yeah. Don't you look in here. Okay, there we go. Are we on level 8 now? No, there's still another stage to this. What is that? Is that mommy? I'm gonna get anxious soon. Oh my god, where is she? Okay, she's behind. She's gone. I'm not even gonna look at the balloon. No need. Oh, the eyeball's there. I don't care about you, eyeball. I just care about my mama. I don't know where she is right now, though. Mama? Mama, are you gonna kill me? I'm like looking around and I'm trying to defeat this game right now, Mom. Oh! Oh, you're right there. I feel like I'm too late sometimes. Please chill. Please chill. I don't even care about the bullets coming towards me. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I have to defeat this guy now? Brother, you have got to be kidding me. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, you're crawling now. The balloon popped. It scared me. I hate balloons popping. I don't like it. Go away. If I hear those footsteps again. Stop it. Stop it! I hate this TV, Mom. Can we replace it? I mean, seriously. Can you stop? Oh, you crawl so fast. It's very impressive. Yes. Oh, this thing just turned into an eyeball. I'm trying to listen. Dude. Go away. I'm about to die in game. Oh, please. Oh, please. I'm literally going to be dead. Why? Why is there an arm there? Mother? Okay. Lock in. Lock in right now. Please, just kill the eye. Just kill him. Please just kill him. Please just kill him. Hurry up. Oh my god. Ooh, I hear you walking. You're a little spider, aren't you? You don't scare me. Not even a little bit. Okay. That was just thunder. Stop with the bunnies. Dude, this eyeball is probably the most annoying thing in the world to defeat. Come on. Mother? Mother, I'm about to win. You want to see? Come watch me win. Victory Royale. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I did it. Oh, God. Hi.
Did you think it's over?
I did think it was over. Oh, a new game. Thank you, Mom. We did that in 12 minutes and 16 seconds. It felt like a lot longer. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it looks like the game we're playing is called Dawn of Nightmare this night. And I think this is the last night before we beat the game. So where are we gonna be at now? Where are you taking me, Mama? Where am I? Wait, what? Hold on. Am I in a... Mom, you didn't tell me we're gonna go camping. I don't want to go camping. Choose one weapon and one... Okay. Oh, I did not mean to walk into that. Mom? Oh, God, you're already here. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to play this game, but Mom is being annoying. I'll take a bow. Oh, wait, I have to choose one attack. Okay. I'm gonna keep my bow. I liked it. Oh! I didn't realize you were looking at me, Mom. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, Mom. I need to, like, learn your movements before anything. All right, let's step in here. Mother? Oh! Can you chill? I'm trying to figure out this game. Oh, this is gonna be the hardest one yet. I better not die multiple times. Can I get up? No, you're still looking. I'm having trouble breathing. I know. Mom, don't you worry about a thing, okay? Mama? Oh, you're coming back. I hear you. I hear you. Don't you worry. I am most definitely not doing anything Oh, you're looking at me. I didn't even realize for a second. Can you look away? Oh, a butterfly. Dude, this is so stressful. Mom, there's a ghost coming at me right now. Why are you on the ground? Well, that was very interesting, Mom. How you do it? How you do that? Can you teach me? Mother? Oh my God. Oh, she right, yeah. Oh, but she don't even see me playing games. I'm not even worried. Oh, okay. I made it to the next level. There better not be 8 freaking levels to the... Was that a deer or a goat? I have no idea. Can you please leave? Don't you make me snore right now. Seriously. This is like a horrible time for that. Okay, what do I want? Extra spa or extra... Wait, or spa boost? I don't know. Okay. Oh, are those traps? What is this? Mother, chill. Thank you. Oh, I took a heart. Again? Really, bro? Dude, I'm on half a heart. Oh my God, this ghost is gonna kill me. Yo, there's 9 levels to this. I better get extra health after this. I mean, seriously, bro. No! Like, when I know the jump scare's coming, I don't even get scared, Mom. I knew you were gonna kill me. All right, I'm going with sword. Give me the sword and give me flame shock. Thank you. Now at least I know how to play. So we have to... There we go. We have to get rid of this stuff. I think I like the bow better. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, never mind. Oh, there's a ghost. Get away from me, ghost. You don't know a thing. Okay, so once I kill them, their ghost comes after me. Good night, Mom. So now that I know that, I'm not gonna take any hearts. Dubs. Get me in that circle. Boom. I'm gonna take the wide boost. She's looking. Oh, she creeping, boy. Oh, yes, this sword is OP. Okay, this is goated. Mother? Mother? Oh, well, that was a close one. I'm not gonna lie, this is the most confusing level yet. There's like so many different game mechanics I need to know. It's okay though, we're locked, I think. Where's she at? Mom? I'm not gonna worry about you right now. I'm gonna worry about this game. Ow! Alright, took a heart of damage, that's fine. I don't know how I'm taking hearts of damage right now. I can't even see what's going on. I'm trying to focus on this new map that I'm trying to navigate and you. Alright, I gotta go back to the middle. Oh wait, I forgot. Can't I sprint? Oh, I just used a skill. Okay, hold on. Speed and damage buff. I'm gonna do damage doubles. I want double damage. Give me that. Where's Mom? Oh! You were looking at me? Okay. Good night, Mom. Oh my God. That was terrifying. Let's go. Let's kill everybody. I'm on level 3. Dude, I'm taking damage out here, Mama. Mama, can you help me with this game? It's kind of hard. Don't look at me all funny like that. You know I'm not a bad kid. Come on. Okay, I'm trying to track her, but I'm also trying to track these ghosts coming after me. Get me out. Oh. Yes. Okay, Dubs. Thank you, Mom. Yep, most definitely sleeping in here. All right? Okay, good night. Don't you look at me again. Thank you. Let's do, oh. I didn't realize you were looking. My fault. Okay, I'll just take whatever power up. I don't even really care. Okay, I just used an ultimate ability. That's awesome. But my mom is real mad. And now she's in spider mode again. Can you not do that? Oh! Why are you looking twice? The double takes are so annoying. Like, I think I'm safe and I'm not at all. Are you good? Can you leave? Stop looking at me. I'm getting anxious. My screen's turning red. I'm having trouble breathing, Mom. Go away. Oh, I'm taking damage. Oh! Hi. You better chill, Mom. Are you good? Okay. Get this one. No. I killed him. I gotta go kill this dude. Okay, I killed him. Hi. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. You chilling over there? Are you good? You're creepy. Okay. I was trying to read the text on the screen. My fault. I gotta be a little more careful next time. Alright, guys, be honest. Would you ever play this game in real life? I don't even know how I'm... Like a few years ago, if you asked me to play this game, I would have said heck no, because I would have said it's way too terrifying. I was too scared back then. Okay, let's just do damage. Is mom going to bed? Please tell me you're actually going to bed. Oh my god, please. Please. Please tell me. Oh, she's back up. Of course you are. Well, at least this game's easy. Look at this. I'm just defeating this boss. Oh! Really? Come on, just die. Die, 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 die. What level am I even on right now? 5 out of 9? I thought I was doing way better. Okay, lock in. Where's mommy? Mommy, you haven't shown yourself for a while. Are you okay? Okay, let's do this one. Okay. All right, good. You're dead. You're dead. Oh! My god. What in the Martin do you have? You have a problem with me, bro. This is messed up. Is my mom racist or something? Why do you keep staring at me like that? You look very judgmental. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm getting hit by ghosts and stuff. I don't like it. Oh! You don't see nothing. You're blind. Stop it. You leave me alone, woman. You leave me alone. Or else I'm gonna make fun of you. Oi. I was like focused on her, but she does it so quick sometimes. Like, watch. She does it right here. I'm cooked. Don't you worry about a thing, okay? Everything's fine. Oh, stop it. What are you doing? Mother, I'm getting anxious. My heart rate's gonna go through the roof if you don't leave me alone right now. Please. Stop looking at the snail. Mom! I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh, I just lost a life. I don't even care. I don't care about the lives. Thank goodness she's back in the RV. Okay, she's going to bed. Lock in. Lock in. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's a little rabbit. I don't care about you, little rabbit. Oh! Mom, how did you get out of bed like that? Since when could you crawl through the window? Dude, this rabbit needs to leave. Is she chasing a rabbit right now? Those footsteps. Oh my god. Ah!
I told you.
You have got to be kidding me. I was literally on the last level. I'm gonna cry. That's it.
I told
What?
you.
I couldn't even see her that time, bro. Oh, this game's starting to make me sad. What the heck is in my face right now? Dude, there's a deer in here with me. Why is there a deer? Stop it. You are so annoying. Ugh. Dude, there's a fly in here in real life now. Now I gotta focus on a million more things? Bro. Who brought a fly in here? All right, lock in. Lock in, please. Oh, God, I'm on one heart. Oh, my God. Oh. Go away, go away, go away. At least let me get to, like, level 6 or 7, bruh, before you start attacking me. That was a bad joke. Okay, level 7. Oh, God. Oh. No! My goodness, dude, I thought it was a squirrel at first, and then why do you guys make the same footstep sounds? Seriously. This is so unfair. Oh my god. Go away. Please. Oh, I had to reset my anxiety. That was so close. Hey, yo, chill. Mama. Go away. Yes. This dumb squirrel. Dude, I'm on half a heart. Oh, bro, I'm so dead in game. I'm on half a heart and I'm only on level 7. Go away. God, you take so long sometimes. Ah, wow, you're so scary.
I told you.
Yes, so much fun. Yes, yes, I love it. I love it.
I told you.
I don't get what to do in those situations. I literally have no sanity left, and she's just camping my butt cheeks. I died in the game. Oh, please. Please. Wait, did I do it? I think I did it. Oh my god. Hi. Wait, did she just get attacked by the rabbit? Was the rabbit on my side the whole time? Yes. Thank God. Oh my goodness. Finally, you're out of my life. You ain't even my real mom. Get out of here. Oh. Is my life complete now? Wait, am I gonna see my real mom? She wasn't actually a robot.
Where are you?
Sam, I'm coming.
So I had a normal mom the entire time? Wait, this is crazy. Guys, I'm so happy right now. It took me hours to beat that game. It was so hard. No.
You cannot escape this nightmare as long as I exist.
I knew it. What happened to you? You got burned up.
A question from our listener, Bunny. It reads,
What?
I want to help.
I have a friend I want to help, but I can't help in person? Remember to follow my clues? What? All rabbits need to be found? So there's another ending to this game? Oh my goodness. We beat stage 3, but I don't want to retry. I want to see. Let me get to the options. Please enter the code? Wait, what? What do you mean please enter? What code? Left, up, down, right? Wait. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Wait. Left, right, left, right. Up, down, up, down. Yo, I have no idea what it could be. What is the code? What? I'm gonna figure this out. I'm just making random guesses right now, guys. Hold on. This might take me a while. I'm gonna see if one of these works. I feel like it has to. Okay, why don't I just search this up? Okay, apparently it's right, up, down, left. What? How did I not try that before? Oh my god. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, what? No. There's one more section. What is this? Oh, nah. Is this how I get the other ending of the game? Wait, this is kind of crazy. I like being back here, though. This is so much better than the campsite. Go away. Please, Mom. How? You weren't even looking at me. Okay, I gotta lock in. Yes, go over there. Yes, please. Oh my god, what's going on? What?
I let you finish the game. Here's something to play instead.
Wait, what? But wait, I thought I was playing a different ending. What just happened? Was that not the... Ain't no way that wasn't even the code mode that was at the ending. I just played through a whole nother round of that first stage, but it was the normal... Well, that was a waste of another 20 minutes for no reason. I'm only a little bit angry, guys, but I'm just glad to have actually completed this game. This stage was literally a nightmare. Yeah, it's called Dawn of a Nightmare, so honestly, it makes sense. But anyways, it was a pretty scary game. That was great. It's just very frustrating. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, click on your screen here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. We're getting close to 1 mil. I want to hit it soon, please. Either way, I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Guys, today we're playing I'm on Observation Duty 7, where we're going to become security guards, and we have to look over a gas station to make sure nothing weird happens. Now, real quick, I want you guys to pay very close attention with me, because if anything changes in any of these security cameras, I have to scan it or report it. And apparently, if 3 anomalies get past my vision, I will get killed by a demon. Attention, employee. Anomalies have been previously sighted in the monitored area. So this whole area. Okay, I got to keep track of a lot of different rooms here. How many in total are there? Pay extremely close attention to the surveillance camera footage. Easy enough. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of cameras, bro. Wait, hold on. I should probably count this. File an anomaly report ASAP when you notice something has changed. Okay, so is that this button? Oh, I see. So that's how I report each one. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, okay, 6. That's actually not that hard, but I have to memorize everything on this. If literally anything changes, I have to... Oh my god, this is going to be impossible, guys. I need to think of like some sort of strategy here to remember what's in every single camera, right? Okay, so like green car, blue sign, that sign. Dude, if even one digit changes, I'm cooked. How in the world am I going to see that if that changes? 2 goats, trash can... Bro, this is too much for my brain. I think I'm overwhelmed right now. 6 different cameras is crazy. I don't know how long it's going to take as well for an anomaly to appear, but I have a feeling it's going to be kind of soon. Okay, we have an orange car, green trash cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, no, I don't like this. I have a feeling I'm going to start to get really nervous if I'm not catching anything. Because then I'm going to feel like I'm doing something wrong. Right now, I'm just trying to take it all in. Because I ain't never seen this before. You know? I'm not going to try and memorize every little thing. I'm just going to, like, take a screenshot in my brain. Why does this look different? Is that always there? Oh, God. Don't give me any anomalies yet. I still have yet to memorize every single thing. Okay, here, watch. We're going to do a screenshot round. Boom, screenshot. Boom, screenshot. Okay, that's not going to work. I'm just spewing nonsense at this point, bro. Okay, here. Tires, shelves, right? A spillage of food. We got 3 machines and then a little card machine. Now we got 4 posters here. A little thing here. We got 4 tables with all the chairs messed up. Countertop. And that says Casa. Yeah. Okay. Red car, blue car, ramp, white car, tan car. And there's 2 machines there. And then there's graffiti. And then we have the hopscotch. We have the 2 trash cans. One of them's open. Car battery. Orange car. Orange cone. Okay, we have the blue sign. The green car. That sign. I'm not even going to try and memorize those prices whatsoever. And then here we have the white van. We got this sign. We got 2 different gas station things there. Okay. Yeah, gas pumps. That's what I meant. Okay. I think I have the strategy. I'm just going to go through and make sure we have the 4 tires. We have a bunch of these shelves. Yep. I can't remember all those items. We have all that dog food, all these machines. That looks good. We got the 4 posters. Got that. Got those tables. Yep. That looks good to me. I'm going to try and remember that there's a newspaper there. Oh, that's not right. This is not supposed to be foggy. Steam, smoke, fog. And it is in the parking lot. Okay. Good thing that's actually an easy anomaly. I'm just hoping that there's not much more. Yes. We're cooking right now, guys. Now it should be back to normal. We are chilling. Okay. We got the green trash cans. We got that. Hopscotch. You looking good. Orange car. Orange cone. Yes. Thank you. Give me some easy anomalies to start off with. Because I'm not going to be able to catch something if it... Is that an extra object? Has that always been there? I'm a little confused. No anomalies found. Okay, so I guess that was always there. I don't know. Maybe my brain's just tripping. Maybe I'm just going crazy, but like, has this always also been here? Extra object? Yes? No? Maybe so? I'm not really sure. I just got to make sure. Okay, yeah, no, that's always been there. I guess I'm just going crazy, guys. Got that. We got, okay, I need to remember that that's there. Okay, Casa, yes. Wait, there's always been 4 cars here, right? Yeah, white car, tan car. Okay, that's just the time. I don't know why that scared me so bad. Ugh, don't do that to me, game. Okay, everything here looks good, I think. I have a feeling I'm gonna get jump scared at a certain point, but I'm ready for it. Give me any jump scare you got. I'm not worried. Why are you drinking the gas? Why are you drinking the gas? Intruder. And that's an intruder. Don't you look at me like that. Don't you look at me like that. Ew, bro. Why are you drinking the gas? It's not good for you. You're gonna die. Okay. Well, now I know that there's, actual living things that are gonna come for me. At least I know that now, bro. Okay. Just gonna pretend like nothing happened. We're gonna keep looking through the cameras. We're good. Nothing Nothing new, right? I think my strategy is to go from left to right. So we got the tires, shelves. That looks good. We got the dog food, machines. Yep, good. Okay, and we got the posters, got the tables. Yep. Oh, was that always object manipulation? Was that always there? Was there always a knife in the counter like that? No anomalies found. Wow, I guess I'm just going crazy. Was this car always object movement? Am I going crazy? Was this car always facing forward? I swear, bro. Oh my goodness, I'm just going crazy. I don't know why I thought that car was parked the other way. Maybe I'm just tripping. I think I'm most definitely just tripping. Okay, that car's green. I gotta remember that. We got the 2 signs. Yep. Got the white. Yep. All right, cool. Looks good. Got the tires. Got that. Yeah. Attention employee. What? Did something happen? We're receiving readings of multiple active anomalies in your area? No. What did I do? Please locate them and send reports ASAP? Well, I don't know. Guys, are you seeing anything? Are y'all seeing anything? Am I going crazy? What changed? Was it in here? Did something in here change? Oh my god. Oh, I'm cooked, bro. I'm so cooked. I don't know what changed. Oh god. I'm gonna die. Hello? Dude, I don't know what changed. How many anomalies are there? Was that car always green? Object replacement? I swear that car was always green. Was it not? No anomaly. Oh god, I'm cooked. I'm so dead. I don't know what to do. Oh jeez. Okay, did this change? Object replacement? I have no idea. Dude, you gotta give me easier anomalies, game. What in the heck is this? Is that guy supposed to be there? Bro. Object movement in backyard. No free samples in cafeteria. Object replacement in store. Guys, I knew that something changed here. Did I not scan it? Did I just identify it wrong? Maybe I identified it wrong. That could be why. Okay, well, it's okay. Now I have a fresh, clean slate. Apparently there was object movement back here. I have no idea what moved. But now I have a clean slate to memorize off of. You know what I mean? So I'm doing it right this time. Okay, we got those 2 little things. Got the spilled drink, white van. Got that. Yup. That looks right. I'm just remembering the general location of everything. I can't remember every single item on the shelf, but I will try my best. Okay. Yellow, blue, red. Yep. Just gonna remember that. Thank you very much. Okay. I know for a fact this is 2 coffee machines. Okay, and then we got the cups there. We got the table with the newspaper. We got the Coca-Cola. We got all this, and the chairs are messed up. Got 4 posters. One of them's red. That one's red. Okay, yep. That looks good. I think so, at least. I'm not even really sure. Okay, red car, blue car, ramp, parking sign. Got the white car, tan car. And yeah, this one seems pretty simple, I think, to me. There's a dead body. Oh my god, he's being dragged. Oh my god. Brother, don't do that to me. I don't like that whatsoever. Oh my god. Hopscotch is good. Yeah. Okay, everything else here looks normal, I think. The trash bags. We got 3 and 2. And then we got the battery. We got the... Wait, this was supposed to be open, was it not? Is that what I missed? Oh! Guys, I'm tripping. I think that's what I missed. Did this sign... Was this always yellow? I could have sworn that sign was blue, but maybe I'm twipping. I really hope that's not an anomaly. Okay, 4 posters here. We got... Yep. I think something looks off, but I can't tell. If you remove something from the scene, I'm not going to be able to tell. Just so you know. Something looks a little off here. Did this always say sane? I'm just going to leave it alone. I feel like they'd give me the obvious ones in the beginning, right? You're not going to give me hard ones, game? Okay, I got to remember that's a green car. Wait, isn't this sign supposed to face my way? Or am I tripping? No? What? What you mean? Oh, no. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm dumb. I'm stupid. What am I missing? Okay, I feel like there's most definitely an anomaly now, so I gotta figure this out. Hold on, let me lock in. Got the 4 tires. Wait. This was not, nope. This was supposed to be Coke bottles. Object replacement. I know that those are supposed to be Coke bottles down there. Don't tell me there's no anomalies. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm starting to learn the game, guys. I told you. Coke bottles right there. Boom. Got the weird looking man. Got the sausages. I think that's right. I don't really know. Got that. Yep. Totally memorizing everything right now. I am totally not acting like I know what I'm doing. Okay. Everything here looks good, right? You guys are going to think I'm so stupid after this. You're going to tell me that something changed. And I'm going to be like, buddy, nothing changed. Wait, was there always this? Was it always under the car? Was it? Oh my god, that was always under the car? Huh. Okay. I'm trying to like see if anything changed. I have no idea, bro. Were these cans always here? Like, am I just finding out this stuff later on?
Stop it.
Were those cans always there? I just need to make sure because there's a can up there. There's cans here. Okay, yep, there is cans there, I guess. Wow. So I need to just keep better track. Okay, we got bleach. Yep. Yep, we got toilet paper and paper towels. Saying it out loud actually helps me a lot, guys. You should try and say these items out loud. It'll actually help you remember each and every one. Okay, posters. Yes, 4 posters. We got the coffee machines, ice cream, arrow pointing that way, casa. Yeah, looks good. I think we got this thing right here. Looks good. Nothing here. Red, blue, white, tan. Okay. Great. Nothing extra. Nice. I swear something changed about this scene, but I cannot tell. Like, these trash cans moved. Object movement. I swear these trash cans were closer. Were they not? What? This looks off. Anomaly? Wait, no, not image anomaly. There's something off. Oh! Okay, maybe it was image anomaly. I'm getting the hang of this now. Something looks off here, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't like it. I don't know. This area right here. Like best one. Wait, were you always there? Yeah, you were always there. Wow. Okay, so I'm just stupid. Toilet paper, bottles. Yep, looks good. Bleach, eggs, 4 tires. Oh, God. I don't like when I can't find the anomalies, bro. This looks weird. Am I tripping? Manipulation? I don't know. This whole area right here looks weird to me. It looks like darker. Okay, I'm just tripping then. Wow, I guess there was no anomalies. Dude, I feel so stupid. What am I missing? What in the Martin am I missing, bro? You have got to be kidding me. Got the hopscotch. Don't change the numbers on me. Cone, car. Oh, God. Super duper, uber, super 95 crap. Wait, rush hour, at the gas pumps. Why is there rush hour here? You scared me. What the heck? Oh, my God. Okay, I gotta memorize. Okay, so that's right. Best one. We got the poster there. Now that I've cleared all the anomalies from this camera, I just gotta memorize everything that's actually here. Got cans on the ground. We got poster there, poster there, poster there. Okay, yeah. Yep, good. Okay, paper towels. We got the bottles. That looks good. Got the 4 tires. We got all of these guys. Got the 3 machines, the spilt dog food, carpet. Yep. Okay. Apparently, there's no anomalies here because I already tried to scan that, but I don't know. What if I'm wrong about that? Like, did something change here? We got a coffee cup, got a cola bottle, got that. We could have changes that are so small and I just will not even know whatsoever. I have to learn these like the back of my hand, bro. Every single little object that's in these cameras, I have to learn. Like, was the car always parked sideways like that? I don't know. Was there always 3 trash bags? I don't know. Actually, I do know. Wait, was this box always here? Who just spoke to me? Someone just spoke to me. What do you mean? Someone just spoke to me. I heard him. Go away. Go away. Don't look at me like that. Ew. Somebody literally just whispered in my eardrums. I know y'all heard that too. Why is the camera glitchy? Was the camera glitching for y'all? Camera malfunction? Parking lot, I think. I saw the top of my screen like glitching, like up here. You know what I mean? No. Wow. Okay, what if I flip through the cameras really fast? Will that actually allow me to remember this a lot better? Super duper uber, super no crap. Yep. Okay. This all looks right. Yep. That's in check for sure. Okay, we got paper towels, we got bottles, tires, got bleach, eggs, all that. Was it always blue, yellow, red? Why does it feel like that's the wrong order? What? Yo, I'm going crazy then. What am I seeing? I guess I'm just seeing something totally different. Yeah, no, this camera's glitching. Does that camera just always glitch or am I have no idea. I legitimately have no idea. No. We got fog at the road. Dude, this is so hard. I don't get it. It's telling me that there's too many anomalies, but I literally don't see a single one. Oh my God. What am I doing wrong, bro? I feel like there's like an extra gas pump here. Extra object. I feel like there was only 2 gas pumps, right? Maybe I'm right about that. What? You have got to be kidding me. Then what am I missing? Literally, bro, this is insanely hard. Why are we glitching? The camera is malfunctioning. Cafeteria, right? Like, I see it glitching. What? Bro. Brother, don't you dare. I know there's something in here. The camera literally glitched on me, but I don't know. I don't know what it could be. Oh, jeez. Is it this? Object manipulation? Is that right? No. Wow, I'm just stupid then. Okay. Guys, I did not realize I was this bad at remembering objects in a camera. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm trying my best, bro. I'm cooked. Do I have to remember these numbers? Did any of those numbers change? Was there always 3 gas pumps here? Stop lying to me, game. That does not look right. Extra object. I see you. I see you there. There's no wrench on that car. Crowbar. I'm too smart for you, buddy. Nice try. Take that somewhere else. pal. All right, I need to stop talking like that. I feel like this has got to have changed. Manipulation on the sign. I'm just gonna say that. No, brother. What changed about you? I feel like it's something back here because I didn't remember it properly. Oh God, I'm cooked. Chad, what do I do? I can't tell. What changed, bro? Oh my God, I am chopped and I'm cooked. And I'm ugly, bro. Ah, there's shoes right here. I don't think there was always shoes right there. Uh-huh. Caught you. Okay, well, that's one at least, but I think there's more, unfortunately. Stop it. Stop it. I'm trying to look for all the anomalies, though, because I know I missed a lot. Kavin Aika. Yes. Were you always, what? Did you always look like that? Was that always there? Because if not, that's a small little change. Okay, yeah, so that always looked like that, I guess. Huh. Well, then, frankly, gang, I got no idea. I have no idea what changed. You're telling me there's too many anomalies, and I have, like, I swear this room could have changed 5 times, and it's just going right past my eyesight. Like, maybe I'm just tripping, bro. Like, the lights in here. Like, I feel like it was more lit back there. You know what I mean? Unless I'm just stupid. Guys, comment. Stupid! Oh! Orb face! In the backyard! No, I don't like you. Why are you making sounds? I literally backed away from my computer so quickly right there. I don't like that. I'm gonna try and remember these. Okay, 839, 1009, 566, 349. Brother, I don't like that orb face whatsoever. Ew. Okay. Yellow, red, cans. Yup. This is so much harder than I expected it to be. I literally have to memorize so much of this place. It's stressing me out. Ah! Don't you zoom in on like that. I don't like that. Was that the man on the newspaper? Oh my God. Y'all would have yelled at me if I didn't catch that man. This looks good. Orange cone. Yup. That door always have a lock on it? I'm just gonna say yes. 839, 1009, 566, 349. I think that's right. So I'm gonna say good. Alrighty. I really just don't know, chat. Like, I feel like something here changed. Like, that sign got moved, right? It wasn't the sign right there. Dude. I am so chopped. I'm so dumb. I feel like I'm missing so many things right now. Oh, this moved. Object movement. Caught that. Like, I'm glad I remembered the newspaper, but what else did I miss? Hello? Okay, fixed. Thank you very much. Go back in your place. I also don't know if the whole camera fixes. Like, whenever you fix an anomaly, you know? I don't know if that fixes every anomaly in the camera. So there could most definitely be something else hiding. Did this move? Why is there a UFO? So is it aliens that are attacking us? Is that what that man was? I thought it was just a guy hungry for... Illegal aliens in space! What the heck? What? I thought I just got killed for a second, bro. Oh, thank goodness I fixed that. Oh, jeez. I don't even know what that was. Was that like an Easter egg that I just caught and I didn't realize? Oh my God. Ugh. I feel uncomfortable. Something changed here, right? Blue, yellow, red. I guess not. Maybe I'm stupid. Anything over here change by any chance? Hey. Oh, I really don't like that. Stop it. Hey, the lights are flickering back there. That's not correct. Yes, that was actually so hard to see, bro. How are you just gonna change that minuscule little thing and expect me to get it on my first playthrough? Technically my second. That's impossible. This looks normal. I feel like this is like the easiest camera to tell. Also, this one's pretty easy. Unless this changed, then I would have no idea. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Looks good to me. Great. Thank you very much. Cool. Isn't this poster object movement? Did it get turned the other way? Or am I tripping? Oh my God, I'm just tripping. Wow. I am so stupid. It's unbelievable. Red, white. I need to remember that. Something here looks off. Ketchup, bread, paper towels. I would have no idea, frankly. I just don't know. Okay, we got the 4 posters. We got everything here. Looks good to me. I wish I could tell you something was wrong, but I'm not seeing anything wrong. Ha! Okay, so you're meaning to tell me there was an object movement in the store, extra objects in gas pumps, and insane prices in the road. I am stupid, bro. Guys, look. I knew it. I knew there was only 2 gas pumps here. I literally scanned it. Did I just scan it wrong? Oh my god, bro. All right, here's the new strat. We do bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle 3. 2 pumps on either side, and they go yellow, red, yellow, and there's a white band. All right? Okay, next. Paper towels, rice ketchup, water bottles, bread, Coke, water, Coke. Yep, 4 tires. We got bleach, eggs. We got chips here, turkey, red stuff. Yellow, blue, red. So that definitely changed because I think I saw that as blue first. Okay, easy. 4 posters. Third one's red. That's red. Tables, newspaper. Okay, 1 Coke bottle. Yep. Coffee machines. Got the bread here. Got casa, ulan, whatever that says. I wish it wasn't a different language. Got the red car, blue car, white car, tan. I gotta say it out loud. It helps me so much more. Okay. 3 trash bags, 2. We got a box full of stuff. Random chalks. Both trash cans are closed. Yep. Okay. And then we got the prices. It's $13.49, $15.66, $1,009, $08.39. Best. Green car. Yep. Blue sign. Yep. Okay. Got it. All right. Let's remember the cans. Yep. The van. Yep. Looks good to me. Best one. Yep. Okay. Everything here looks good to me. Posters all face the front except for these 2. All right. I will remember that. Okay. Oh, there's no pizza there. Who left their food? Get over here and pick it up. I caught you. All right. Now, once we detect the anomalies, I still have to memorize, okay? Are those prices correct? Yes or no? Oh, there's lines right there. There's not supposed to be lines right there. Image anomaly. That does not look right. Nope. Yep. That's right. Get out of here. Thank you very much. Okay, we caught that one. Hey. Object manipulation. The doorknob's being manipulated. No. Intruder? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Someone's literally fiddling with the doorknob. I know that's an anomaly. Hello? Object movement. That's what it's got to be. Brother. Oh my god. So you have to get the exact perfect... Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this moved. This is not right. Object movement. Got you right there. Stopped you in tracks, buddy. Nice try. All right. Thank you very much. Get out of here. Oh, this changed. Yep. There's UFOs. All right. Image anomaly? That's what I'm going to say it was, right? Please. Yes. Thank you very much. Also, did that change or was that always that? I'm going to say that was always like that. I'm just going to assume everything here is good now. Like something here looks off, but I just can't put my finger on it. Is there always rims up there? Was there always plants up here? Plants and rims? That's what we keep on top of our cabinets, guys? Just makes no sense to me. Guys, this is too hard for my brain to... Oh, wait, this changed. This is 120. Image anomaly? That was 120 before. Oh my god, that was such a small change. That is a minuscule change, bro. How in the world you expect me to find those that easily? Like, what? There's no shopping cart there. Get your shopping cart out of here, buddy. Thank you very much. Oh, God. What does super do? I saw you move. Object movement. Hey, I see you moving. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Image anomaly. What in the heck are you doing there? You ain't supposed to be on the dog food, buddy. Get off of the dog food. Yeesh, you freak. This is different. There is steam in the parking lot. I know there is. Don't you try this on me. Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much. Yep, fix that up for me. Oh my god, what am I missing? What am I missing, bro? I feel so stupid. Okay, I gotta like low-key take a guess on something, bro. I think I actually just have to take a wild guess. Like, how else am I gonna bring this back right now? This is impossible, gang. What in the world am I missing? Okay, I'm gonna say the contents inside of this box have changed. Object replacement? Don't kill me. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. Dude, I have no idea what changed. Gang. I'm literally dead here. I cannot understand. Wow. Object movement in gas pumps. Image anomaly in road. Image anomaly in cafeteria. Wow. Okay. Yes, it's a new day. Yes, I'm gonna beat this game. I'm going silent mode for this round, guys, because I'm just trying to beat this. Oh, I see the man again. I don't like how it does this, bro. Just don't jump scare me. Okay, thank you. Ooh, playing this a lot more calm now. I'm not just instantly looking around for random things. I'm just trying to remember each and every section of all these images. But I still feel like I'm missing stuff. I just need to not panic. Unless it says that there's too many anomalies that I'm missing. Yo, get out of here, bro. So weird. I don't like how he pops up every now and then, bruh. Ugh. All right, we're good though. Get out of here. Oh, I see you moving there, Mr. Can. You thought, buddy. No, no, no. I think we're doing good. Oh, you're not supposed to be there. You are not supposed to be there. No free samples. I guess I missed that option last time I saw it. There we go. Oh, we're doing good. Oh, the cone. Where's the cone? Where's the cone? Thank goodness. Yo, I'm getting better. Okay. I noticed the missing cone. That's not bad. I feel like there could be other changes, though, that I'm most definitely missing, and I'm just very confident in myself. Is the camera glitching, or is that just me? Anybody else see that? Like, there's got to be anomalies in here that I'm just missing somehow. Right? I have no idea. Get out of here. Backyard, there's a floating orb face. I don't like the orb face. No, thank you. No, stop with the sound. Thank you. Also, we got the lines right here. I know that's not supposed to be there. Image anomaly. Get it out. The more and more I play this, the more I'm starting to see. There's orbs. There is, steam, smoke, or fog. Wait, what is that? What is that? Abyss? In the store? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Rift! It's a rift! Am I gonna die to this thing, bro? Don't kill me. Don't you dare kill me. Don't you... Oh! Okay, well now I know that it's a rift. Jeez, that's terrifying, bro. Oh god, no, no! What am I missing, bro? Oh, this is so bad. I have no idea what I could be missing right now. How are there multiple anomalies, bro? What is going on? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, now I'm starting to stress, bro. I'm gonna try and stay calm and just figure out what's changing. Oh my god, bro, I have no idea. What changed, brother? Oh, your lights are not supposed to be on. Light is not supposed to be on. Okay, I got that one. Now let's get the rest of them. I'm just looking at everything very closely. You look normal to me, I think. Oh my god, it's 4. It's literally, this is the furthest I've gotten, bro. Dude, I don't know, bro. What did I miss? Missing object in road, image anomaly in gas pumps, steam, smoke, fog in parking lot. Oh my god. Abyss. That's an abyss in the parking lot. Is that gonna kill me if I don't get rid of it? I have a feeling it most definitely will, but I haven't died to a single one of those yet, so I honestly got no idea, bruh. Oh, the prices are off. The prices. Insane prices. Caught that. We good. We chilling, I think. Fix that, please. Thank you very much. Let's keep going. Oh, spinning bottle. Got you. Object movement. Stop moving. I don't like the way you spin it like that, buddy. All right, let's cut it out. Thank you very much. Okay, that's 2 anomalies down. Let's find that third one. There's gonna be a third one for sure. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Object replacement. That's supposed to be Coke bottles and Diet Coke bottles or Coke Zero. Yep, I know my Cokes. Don't even try it. Oh yeah, I should probably not get a little too confident because I've died like 5 times. But no, fog in the road. Fog in the road. Nice try, buddy. Ain't gonna get me this time. Oh yeah. Let's get rid of it. Okay, we're at 2 a.m. so far. Guys, I am so locked in right now. I'm like literally looking at everything that could physically and possibly change right now. Intruder! Stop it. Stop it. Don't you yell at me. No, cut it out. I don't like that. Crazy lady. Ew! There's a head in there. There's an extra object in there. Or is that a dead body? Ew. Ew, that's gross, bro. Oh my god, that's so tiny. Like, how am I supposed to see that? Ugh. Yeesh, bro. Oh, hopscotch is backwards. Hopscotch is backwards. That is a object manipulation? I don't even know. Hopscotch it starts at 1. I remember because I go 1 to 9 there. Yes. Whew. We cooking right now, I think. Oh. Camera malfunction in the road. Yo, what is that? What is that? No. What are you? Car. I'm gonna die to that car. Chill, bro. Oh my god. I almost died to a car. No, thank you. It's about to be 3 a.m. It's gonna give me the ding. I'm ready for it this time. Give it to me. Yup. Thank you very much. Alrighty. Oh, crowbar. Got you. Extra object. Yep. Nice try. Thank you very much. Perfect. Oh! Why? What do I do about you? What do I do about you, intruder? Oh my god. Stop it! Don't jump scare me like that. I was not, I was just enjoying my time being a security guard. God, dude. Rift. There's a rift in the store, bro. I like the obvious ones. Please keep giving me obvious ones. Those are so easy. Bro. We're cooking. No, how? How? What am I missing? Bro. Oh, God. Oh, God. Is it these wires? Wait, these wires are... A snake. There's a snake right there. Okay, okay, that's one. That's one. That's one. Let's go. Lock in, chat. Keep going, keep going. What? Oh, dead body. Yay. No. Okay. Okay, that's two. Dude, I saw a dead body. And now there's one more. There's one more anomaly. I think. Oh, fog. We got fog in the parking lot. It's 4:40, bro. I forget which time I actually have to make it to, but I'm hoping it's 5. If it's 5, we're cooking. Oh, this changed. That is not what it looked like. Image anomaly. That's what I'm going to say it is. The graffiti is not supposed to look like that. It says something else. Also, it's almost 5. Do we beat it at 5 a.m. or is it 6 a.m.? It might be 6 a.m. Let's see. Okay, it's 5. So we got 1 more hour, I think. Brother, this is literally 5 Nights at Freddy's, bruh. Oh, extra object. Aha, nice try. Nice try. I know there's only 2 gas pumps. Get out of here. You're not welcome. Okay, we're good. Please don't fumble, Cash. Please do not fumble. What? Object replacement in store, image anomaly in road, image anomaly in cafeteria. Wow. Thanks, bruh. The lights in here. The lights are malfunctioning. Wow, that is tough. This trash can lid is open. Got that. The ones that I've already gone through before are easy to detect now, but I can't find the ones that are like changing on me randomly. If I've never seen it before, like there's no chance I see it again. Oh my goodness. How did I not even see you? What in the heck am I? Yo, I'm tripping, bro. The weird little face. Get out of here, buddy. Hoping you're the only guy that's actually an anomaly here. Newspaper is not supposed to be there. Nice try. Get it on out of here, please. Oh, insane prices. Dude. It does not feel like there's enough anomalies going on right now. Like, I feel like I'm going crazy looking for these. How am I supposed to find something I don't even know? And it's 2 a.m. Oh my god, stop it, bro. What is wrong with this guy? Why do you always like showing up here? Get out. Thank you. Ugh. Thank goodness he doesn't kill me, but he scares the poop out of me, bro. My heart just went into my brain. Oh my god, bro. How many anomalies am I missing? I really need to lock in. Like, I genuinely just cannot tell, bro. I'm cooked and I'm chopped and I'm ugly and I'm dumb. I cannot see anything, bro. What? I'm dead. Oh, this changed. I know that's 120, but I have a feeling that I'm already dead here. Are the anomalies gonna take over? Maybe I can bring it back somehow? I got one out of the way. Oh, wait, hold on. There's a trash can right here. I'm trying to crack my neck. I'm not gonna lie, the missing objects are, like, impossible. How am I supposed to know something's missing? Oh, the lights are on. No lights are supposed to be on at night. Thank you, bro. Ew. Stop it. Yeah. Get out of here. Don't look at me like that. Weirdo. No free samples. Dude, I feel like I'm dead. I feel like there's so many that I'm missing right now, dude. Oh, what is this? A little brochure? You can't leave a little brochure here. No, thank you. Wow, that is tiny, bro. Oh, wait. We're missing the traffic cone. Missing object. Thank you. That one's at least easy, because that's, like, I know that that's there. But some of these, I don't even realize they're not there. I'm dead. I'm dead. No. Ah, UFO. Thank you. Thank you. I still feel like I'm so behind. I feel like there's 2... Hey. Yo. Illegal aliens in space. Why am I even in space? I have no idea. I guess I just got abducted. Oh, okay. At least you're easy to see. The can twisting and turning is like so small, but it's like I could see it in my vision. You know? My peripheral vision. Oh, wait a second. There's missing cups. Oh my god. That's impossible. How are you gonna do that? Really, bro? Wait a second. Did somebody draw on this? That doesn't look right. What's wrong with that hot dog? I swear. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is legitimately the most subtle thing I've ever seen in this game, bro. What? And you're telling me I'm supposed to look out for stuff like that on everything? Oh, there's a snake. Okay. I found the snake. That's crazy. Am I the only one that thinks that? Yo. It's fine. It's fine. We don't complain. We just win. Okay, door anomaly is easy. I need to, like, back away to, like, see this better. Oh, these lines are supposed to be yellow. These lines are supposed to be yellow. Image anomaly? I'm gonna say it's paint. Yes. Oh my god. Dead body, dead body, dead body, dead body, dead body. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Get it out. Yes. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so close. I don't get it, dude. No, I already know what this is. This is car. This is car. Let me do car. Stop it. Let me do the car, bro. There we go. I know. You don't scare me. Get out of here, buddy. I know you're not gonna run over me. We got fog coming in right here. Right? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. God, my brain is so tired from looking and remembering right now. Ah, intruder. You get out of here. I don't want you. We have an extra object right here, an extra gas pump. I know you. You don't look right. UFO? Why is there a UFO? I'm gonna be taking a space now, bro. I'm cooked. We're also getting a lot of anomalies. Please lock in. That's right. The little extra glaze. The extra glaze on the hot dog. That does not look right. Brother, what am I missing? What am I missing, gang? I know I'm missing something. Just be real with me. Am I stupid? Guys, comment down below if you think I'm stupid. No. Oh, the thing, the image anomaly. Lock in. Cash, bro. Cash. Lock in right now. Missing object. It's 5. Come on. We just gotta survive. A little longer. It's not even that hard, bro. Wait. Am I cooking or was this tile before? I knew it. Oh my. Oh, and no free samples. Ain't no free samples around here, buddy. I think I brought it back. Let me not get too confident though. Oh, missing cone. Yep. Knew that one. Thank you. Get that out of here. Nope. Image anomaly. Aliens always trying to take over our graffiti and stuff too. That's weird. Oh, you're not supposed to be in the road. Image anomaly. Get out. Come on, please let me win. Please let me win. Please, game. If you take this win away from me, I'm gonna cry. Like, actually, bro. Intruder. Get out of here. I am so close to winning right now. You cannot take this away. Report failed? No, get away. Get away from me. Don't you dare. Oh, he almost killed me. I almost just died to that guy. Was he about to jump scare me? We're about to hit 6 a.m. Please. Oh my god. Please. Yo. Guys. I hear music. Oh my god, bro. That took 3 hours. But I finally the amount of focus I had to do for those 3 hours. God, that game was crazy. If you guys want to see me play this again, let me know by leaving a like and also commenting. This game is so hard, bro. I'm so glad I just beat it finally. There's a ton of other maps. If you want to see me play Museum, let me know. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys, please. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. I used to watch SpongeBob all the time as a kid, and I still do. No, I don't. But this game makes Squidward terrifying. I don't even know if I want to play it, but I'm hopping in already. Looks like we're going down, and we're at the Krusty Krab. Yo, what? What happened to Patrick? It's a normal day in Underwear Zip City. That's not Bikini Bottom. You were hungry and you wanted a human patty, so you decided to go to the Crunchy Cans restaurant. It's already off. Oh my god. Okay, well, this is the Krusty Krab. It looks pretty normal, except Squidward. That's not Squidward. Who in the world are you?
Welcome to the Crunchy Cans restaurant. What can I get you?
I guess my only option is a human patty, so get me one of those.
Find a seat. I'll tell you when it's ready.
Okay, little mean. Oh, looks like someone else is here. I'm not the only customer. What's up? Oh, yo, get away from me. I'm sorry. Do I have to stare him in the eyes like that? Also, why is Patrick outside the window? I don't like this. I don't want to be here anymore. That dude fell asleep. Squidward, is my human patty ready?
It's almost done, but we ran out of patties, so it might take longer.
Is there any way to speed it up?
You can go to the warehouse and get some patties. Be careful. It's dark down there. And whatever you do not go to the room at the end of the corridor.
What's there? Also, is this guy dead? This guy went to sleep on the ketchup. It seems fun. I don't think that's ketchup. I doubt he fell asleep on a bunch of that, but I'm gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna assume that Patrick killed him. Okay, well, this is the corridor, and Squidward said not to go to the end of the room. Is this what he's telling me to go to? Yo, I'm kind of scared. Okay, we're still going through the corridor. Yo, I saw a crab. I'm gonna go in this door. Oh, it's locked. Really? Why do you have to be locked? Okay, fine. How about this one? Okay, yeah. Now, where's the human patties? Is this it? That's gotta be the human patty. Yeah. Am I good? I'm not gonna go to the room at the end of the corridor. He didn't want me to. Yo, is that blood? That's definitely ketchup. It's probably the room that they put their ketchup inside. I'm just gonna go normally. I'm gonna bring the human patty back. I got it for you, Squidward. You're welcome, dude. All right. Let me out of here. I swear. Feel like I'm about to turn a corner and die immediately. Oh, I can sprint. Nice. All right, get me out. All right, Squidward. Yo, Patrick. I don't even want to go near that. Squidward?
Oh, you actually managed to get a patty from the cursed warehouse. Good job. Now go inside the kitchen and put it on the grill. The kitchen's the first door on your right side.
Yo, the cursed corridor? I didn't know we called it that. I'm gonna ignore the Patrick over there, and I'm gonna cook the patty. Looks like I'm working the job now. I didn't know this was a build-it-yourself restaurant. All right, well, do I put the patty on the grill? It's not ready yet. I have to wait more. Looks like it's ready now, so now that it's cooked, I can make myself a little burger. Boom! And now can I just go eat? Do I have to do anything else? Patrick's still out there. Can we talk to him or something?
Sit down and enjoy your human patty.
Okay, fine. Maybe this is just normal for them. I guess I'll eat my patty while Patrick's just over there. The human patty tasted like my grandma's toenails? Brother, what? Hey, Squidward, there's an issue, dude.
That would be $78.99, please.
What?
I said that would be $87.99.
Okay, listen, there must be a mistake. I only ordered a human patty.
I said that would be $98.99, please.
Okay, chill out. I don't have $100. I only have 35.
So you're saying you don't have the money for the human patty with you?
No, I mean, yes, I have the money at home. I could just go get it for you right now.
So you're saying you don't have the money for the human patty with you right now?
No, dude, I told you I don't have $100. Where are we looking? Hey, Mr. Krabs, I don't know if that's you. Oh, yo! Oh my God, that was so loud. Where am I? Where did I just get taken to? Dude, Mr. Krabs, what is wrong with you? Oh my God, is that you, Plankton? Plankton, I never thought I'd be on your side, but I feel like I am now. A box with 2 balls inside, they don't seem useful. Should I get Plankton out? Are you okay?
I was trying to steal the secret formula, but I failed and Mr. Krabs put me in his cage. How would you get stuck in this room? Did you try and steal the secret formula?
No, the human patty was too expensive and I didn't have the money for it. Anyways, I'll try and save you from this.
Don't really try. Mr. Crab has locked the cage and swallowed the key, but good luck anyway.
All right, Plankton. You sound like a fake Plankton to me. I can get out of here. I just gotta figure out this code. It seems like a keypad. I should find a passcode. Okay. Well, I see a star right there, a star there, 2 balls, and 3 fishes. Okay, so we got 3 for the fish, 2 of the stars, and 2 balls. Now, what does the square mean? Does the square mean the crates? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if there's another one under. Okay, 3 fishes, 2 stars. Boom. I think I'm gonna go with 5 boxes, right? And then 2 balls. Yo, am I right? Yes! Okay, well, that's Mr. Krabs' office. I don't want to go in there. I actually want to escape, please. Should I grab this crowbar? This is a useful tool. Yeah, it is. Mr. Krabs, you come near me, dude? I'm gonna start throwing hands. The door's locked? What do you mean the door's locked? I literally just used it like 10 seconds ago. Maybe I can crawl through this vent. Yeah, that seems smart. Let me get up there. Can I not crawl in the vent, Martin? All right, well, I guess our only option is Mr. Krabs' room or this vent. Let me in. All right, fine. I'm gonna open the door. I have to save the green guy first. Okay, fine. I'll go save him. Plankton, you terrify me even more. Oh my God.
Thank you for saving me. Let's go and find a way out of this place.
All right, Plankton. Are you just following me? All right, well, it looks like he's just following me. Okay. Mr. Krabs, you're not gonna bust down that door, right? You wanna go? I have to put the tool back? Why? I don't want to put the tool back. He's gonna be waiting for me. Okay, it's down. Mr. Krabs? Mr. Krabs? I'm like backing away from my monitor right now. I'm so scared. Hello? Oh my God. Plankton, you go first, bro.
No, dude.
All right, fine. Whatever. Don't go first, I guess. I'll just go first. Yo, I'm about to die. I am so cooked. Can I go out of here, please? No, I can't? Okay. I guess I'll just go to the vault then. Another code? Oh, yo. Another keypad for the safe. Okay, well, where am I gonna find the code at? I don't really want to do this. Mr. Krabs is just gonna kill me. Yeesh. Plankton, dude, you're terrifying me. Is this door unlocked yet? Oh, it is. Aha, a computer. All right, Mr. Krabs, what you got on your computer? All passwords. Click this link to get a free gift cards? No, skip. I don't want that. Dude, okay, fine. I'll click it. What? Really, bruh? Did I just break the computer? Was that a virus? Wait, is Mr. Krabs gonna be mad? The door's locked. Help! Plankton, do something, dude! We got a virus on his computer. Oh, wait. I saw 0 in there. 8089. 089. There's an encoded message in there. Okay, good. The video replays. What's the first number? I know it ends in 089. 5. Okay, 5089. Go. Run, Plankton, go! Mr. Krabs is gonna be here. Oh my God. Okay, 5089, right? 5089. Yes, I got it! And that's the secret formula, isn't it? Oh my God. Wait, what's going on, Plankton? Yeah, you are, Plankton. You get that formula. Honestly, Mr. Krabs is evil, so I'm okay with it to be. Oh yeah! No! What happened to Plankton? He just died! Oh my God. No, not you! Not you, SpongeBob! Oh my God! I don't want to deal with SpongeBob right now, please. I don't like you. You scare me. I think I'm getting away. He's chasing me down right now. I'm terrified. Ah! What do I do? I swear, if he peeks around this corner, I'm immediately dead. SpongeBob, can you chill, dude? I used to love you growing up. Oh my God, right? Okay. Dude, he's catching up to me. He's catching up to me. Dude, how is he faster than me? Do I go in that door? Wait, what is that? What did that door just say? I cannot read that quickly. Game, this is impossible. Oh God. Yo, am I dead? Was I supposed to go in that door or something? Do I go left or right? Oh, left. Yes, we're going. What is that? Yo, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, I don't want to do this. Did I just die? Don't tell me I just died to SpongeBob. I fell into a grinder and now I'm lunch meat. No. Dude, I needed that. Okay, really? You didn't have to squish it like that. That's like my brains and stuff. Oh God. And Patrick's the one making it. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Patrick. Okay, well, there's actually another ending to this game, and we have to go to that code in the door to actually get to it. Now, unfortunately, I have to replay through all of this, but it's gonna be cut for you guys, so you're welcome. I see you there, Mr. Krabs. Wait, what happens if I go to the corridor, like, right now? Is he gonna kill me? Wait, I can just go in here. Oh! Okay. Well, now we know not to go in the corridor. Can I just skip straight to the end here now? Wait a second. This is different. Oh, my God. Okay, never mind. All right, I'm not gonna bother you, Mr. Krabs. I'm just here to get my patty. I'm gonna have to get jump scared by him again, because when I can't pay for this patty, they're gonna be mad. But what if I don't eat the patty? All right. Yes, I know. I need to go cook it. I'm going back. Grab the buns. All right, now hurry up. Come on, game. Let me grab it. Okay, now I'm not even gonna eat the patty. I'm just gonna go sit down with it. Can I keep talking to Squidward? No? Okay, fine. Well, I'm gonna sit. And I'm not eating. I'm teasing you. Patrick, I see you right there. Wait, can I go talk to Patrick? Okay, let me eat this. Hey, Patrick, you gonna kill me? Say something. Okay, so he's gonna get mad because I can't pay for the patty. Let's just skip through all this dialogue. Okay, yep, and yep, thanks for that. Okay, now I'm down here again. 3, 2, 5, 2. Easy beans. I will get you out of there in a second, Plankton. First, I gotta go in here and get the crowbar. Now we go let Plankton out. Here you go, kind sir. All right, now I gotta go put this back. Let's go, Plankton. Okay, now let's open this door. Mr. Krabs will not kill me. I'm gonna go back and watch the video because the game kind of forces you to do that. Yep, all right, let's do the Rickroll. Gonna have to go through this whole thing. 5, 0, 8, 9. All right, we just gotta watch Plankton get crushed. There we go, he's crushed, and now I'm about to get chased. Hello? SpongeBob, what you want? Okay, this is the chase scene. So we need to go to that keypad right as we get to it. As long as I don't let SpongeBob catch me, we're good. He's gonna make us turn around here in a second. Where does he make me turn around? Ah, right there. I knew it. Okay, good thing I'm faster than him, so we're good. Now, where's that keypad at? Oh my God, am I gonna die? Dude, he's like catching up so quick right now. Okay, there's the keypad. Okay, what does it say? What does it say? Shrek is love. Dude, oh my God, am I gonna die? I did it, yes! We got Shrek! Okay, this is the ending I was looking for. I need you to go kill SpongeBob for me, please. Look at him. He's terrible. Oh, he looked at me weird. Oh my goodness. Yes. Kill him. Are they just gonna stare and kiss, or are they gonna kill each other? Come on, SpongeBob. Let's see what you got. Dude, who is that behind Shrek? Is that me? Oh, okay, that's me. That was me the whole time? SpongeBob just shot at Shrek and he didn't even flinch. This feels like an episode of Skibbity Toilet right now. Is that just me? Shrek literally has an RPG out of nowhere. And this is going on for a while. There we go. Yes! We did it! We got all the endings. That's the full game. Now you know not to trust Squidward ever. If you want to watch another video, click one on your screen right here. And also, please subscribe so we can hit 1 million on this channel, please. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today, we played Among Us, and these were probably my best rounds yet. I got the Jester role, where your whole goal is to get voted out by everybody else. And I had to pull off a crazy play to try and win this. We brought 10 players back into Among Us because it was really fun last time. So we're going to see if we can figure out who the 2 imposters are this time.
Let's go.
And now I'm muted up so no one can hear me. And it looks like I got a neutral role. Okay. I got the Jester. So my goal as Jester is to get voted out. Literally, that's it. I don't have to do any tasks around the ship. I don't have to do anything except just look sus. So if I could just look scary to everybody else, then that's all I need. You know, I'm just going to be here on cams. I don't want anyone to see me. Can I hop in vents as Jester? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, what if I just camp in the back of reactor? I don't want anyone to realize that I'm here. If I can just be away from any kills, that would be sus. Oh, perfect. Shady's already dead.
Okay, there is a body at electrical. He was killed.
What?
And where is everyone?
I am in reactor.
I'm with Nico and comms.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you with me? I didn't even see you.
I just walked in. You were doing the download task.
Cash, what task were you doing?
I was doing the numbers.
Numbers?
Yep.
Why'd you go down then?
I thought I had to do the vent task at the bottom, but it wasn't there.
At the bottom?
Yeah, I thought it was there. I just got confused, but I went up after you left.
Okay. Interesting. Just say I'm heavy sus on you because, so this kills in electrical on the lights thing. And, I mean, you could have just vented from security to reactor.
I'm heavy sus on you. You could have killed and self-reported.
You saw me walk in reactor, walk out of reactor, lower engine, and I just reported a body.
Speak your case, Zoe.
That's not true. If I die, it's Zoe, I swear.
No, I'm just saying. It's kind of weird that you didn't go for reactor. You just went to do your task.
Exactly. I need to learn my tasks more. That's it.
I'm lost.
I'm a little lost too.
I'm just doing my thing.
We skip, but we can't do too many skips.
It's okay. Just sus on Zoe.
No sus on Zoe, Cash.
Okay, this is good. Zoe sussed me. It's perfect. I need to be voted out. I don't think I've ever won as Jester, which is good. Okay, where should I hide? Usually if I hide at the top of this place, it's a pretty good spot. If I just camp here and stay still, then I'm gonna look so sus. Oh, yeah. Nobody ever goes to the top. Okay, Martin. People about to be so scared of me being up here. I kind of want to find a dead body. Then if I stand on it, then it will look really sus on me. Oh, VMT's right there. Why is he camping? Why he camping? Is he gonna kill me? Is he gonna kill me? I'm gonna pretend to do this right here, and then I'm gonna leave. I know Zoe's very sus of me right now. I don't want to die as Jester, though. If I get killed, then that's gonna be so bad. I don't really trust the miner. I feel like he could most definitely be an imposter. Alyssa just walked out of here. Julia and VMT are there, too. All right, I'm just gonna camp at the top of cafeteria. Right here. Uh-oh. Nah. Miner found a body. Where is it?
It was like right outside of security.
So you saw it, too.
I was walking down and then I saw the miner reporting it from cafeteria.
Wait, where was it?
It was right outside of security.
So in storage.
No, like where the cams are.
Well, I was in cafeteria. Peanut said I did medbay alone. That's kind of sus. Can't prove yourself now.
Boy, why you not getting a scan, boy?
That's what I'm saying. You gotta scan in front of people.
Where was everybody else though?
I am in O2.
I was in cafeteria.
I was walking with Juliet down from admin to storage.
I was in storage.
Yeah, he was. Wait, there's 2 imposters, right?
Yeah, there's 2.
Cash, where were you?
Cafeteria.
I saw the body on admin.
I had nothing to do with this. I was nowhere near there. I'm skipping.
Suspicious, but okay.
Sus of you, VMT. You too, Zoe.
I'm sus of Nico and Cash.
Nah.
I am not sus, dude.
Just do your tasks, Twin.
I will. Nico, you gonna do your tasks? Jester.
Yeah, I'm doing my tasks.
Okay, Jester. This is good. Everybody is very sus of me. I like it. I'm just gonna stand still for the beginning of the round here, and then I'm gonna go this way. All right, I kind of want to find a dead body here. Please tell me somebody gonna die. Please. Oh no, Alyssa's right there. Alyssa might actually be an imposter. I feel like that's totally valid. Okay, I'm just gonna access and go back down this way. I know Alyssa, Zoe, and the miner were all there on cams. VMT just came out of here. Oh nah. Is the miner gonna kill me in here? I don't like that. I don't like that. All right, I'm just gonna stand right here and pretend like I'm not doing anything. Faking tasks is usually always good to do. I think I'm gonna be chased down. VMT and Zoe are right here. I'm just gonna stand still right here and then act sus a little bit. Let's go over here. Juliet. Oh nah. Hey yo. Juliet just killed right next to me.
It was down the hall. That's Cap.
Nope. Not Cap. Not Cap.
I did not kill. I just found the body.
No, you killed and spammed report. It had to have been that.
It's either Cash or Juliet. Y'all are kind of sus.
Juliet was right there. I was with VMT and Zoe. Like that whole beginning part of the round.
That's a complete lie.
Okay, Cash be moving a little weird.
Yeah, it could have been a self-report.
Okay, I'm not moving weird. Sometimes it's hard to find my task, but I literally walked to the left side and Juliet was just right there and she killed right in front of me.
I have a feeling it's Cash and VMT. I don't know.
That's a crazy claim.
That's a crazy play. It's 100% Cash, in my opinion.
I think it's VMT and Juliet. If you're sus of him, I know it's her.
You acting a little too sus. Like, if the miner wasn't there, I think I'd be dead.
I will sit in the cafeteria and not move. I'm done with my task, Twin.
Guys, I would have watched her, bruh.
Could we like vote someone out?
I'm voting Cash. I'm just saying. He's dead.
We definitely have to if there's 2 imposters left because we don't have enough people.
No. I think it's you, Cash.
Are you voting Juliet too, VMT?
We're finna find out.
If it's not Juliet, you're sus, Cash.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
It has to be Cash.
Has to be. If it's not, I'm sorry.
I don't think I voted for Juliet.
Hey, guys. I won as Jester. Yes! I did it!
Wow. That was a good play. I'm not gonna lie.
Ultimate sus. It was Peanut and Alyssa. All right, time for the next round. We got 2 imposters again. And let's see what I get. Oh, I got imposter with VMT. Yes, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. I love whenever I'm the imposter. And this map is great as well for it. I'm just gonna leave out this way. I want to kill someone that's not very experienced. So I don't know if I should go for Alyssa first. Anybody want a medbay? I'll watch. Okay, looks like Nico's safe. Anybody else have it? Oh, very interesting. All right, well, I'm gonna go up this way. I think I'm gonna kill somebody down here and then do reactor. That's probably the best course of action. Oh, I think lights are going out. Wait, this is good. I could probably kill someone. Oh, nah. Where is it?
Oh, bro, they just killed Nico right in front of me after he medbayed.
I saw the report button.
I'm gonna be honest, I couldn't see. The lights were off.
Oh, nah.
Nico is safe. Nico is dead.
Yeah, I think Nico kind of was doomed after he did medbay. He was gonna be a target to everyone.
Who could see who? We need to hear.
I couldn't see anyone.
Zoe and I are safe. We're all both up the way in, goodness, where are we? We're in admin right now.
I'm in cafeteria. No one else is there, I don't think.
Unless Zoe's an imposter and she's marinating me.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know who. I mean, it's gotta be either me, Peanut, or Juliet. That's all that I saw, but like someone could have been invisible.
You know, Shady was hanging out in that room awful long.
I feel like Juliet could be a good case because she could have just turned invisible. I don't know, actually.
I would say we don't have to vote yet.
No, we don't.
Yeah, more people die, then we should definitely at least try and get one out. I just don't have enough info.
Bro, did we see VMT or Miner anywhere? Or Alyssa?
Mm-mm.
I was near electrical.
I was trying to do my task.
I was trying to sweep cafeteria.
Yeah, someone swooped in and killed him, bro.
Swooper.
That's what happens when you reveal medbay at the start.
Okay, this is good. VMT got an early kill. This is dubs. I'm just gonna go up and maybe I will follow somebody to the back area. I might go to reactor. This might be the spot. Okay, so it looks like VMT can go invisible whenever he kills. kills because he's the swooper. I'm just a regular imposter. I think I'm gonna fake a task right here and then kill someone. Then I might sabotage O2 just in case. Does somebody want to die over here? Anybody? Oh, it's just VMT. Okay, perfect. Let's leave. Maybe we can get a double kill somewhere over here. Let's go down this way. Is there a lot of people here? I'm gonna kill the peanut. Hey, yo. Oh, nah, bro. Where was it?
It was right outside of admin. I just saw only Zoe across the street over at office, but I was in admin and I just hopped off the screen and then there was a body there.
Did you see anybody walk down when you went up? Because after we left reactor, I saw a couple people come down from there, but I don't remember.
Yeah, there was a lot that came down.
I was in office doing my task. I walk out and the body's just there. I don't know if it dropped or not, but
Zoe, please, I trusted you.
no, it's not me. I don't think it's VMT either because he was on the task.
I think he self-reported.
No, I don't, unless he killed and then just walked right next to it. Like, I would have sussed him.
I was on admin and then I got off and then walked out and then there was a body there and we were both walking up to it.
Can someone tell me what the swooper role does?
You can turn invisible for like 5 seconds.
Okay, then where is everyone? Because the body looked like it just dropped.
It might be Alyssa.
No, I was walking up to reactor.
Girl, I saw you. I saw you walk away, though.
It wasn't me, bro. It wasn't me. You just gotta hear me out. It was not me.
Huh.
Just trust me on this one. As a girly pop, you just gotta hear me out.
I'm leaning toward Cash, VMT, or Zoe. One of them is the swooper, bro.
So cause I reported a dang body, it's me.
I don't think it's VMT because he was on his task. Unless he killed and then just walked over there, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, you could. I don't know.
No, bro, I literally saw you. I went straight to the computer.
I feel like that's Cap, bro. I did not see the miner down there. Not gonna lie.
I was in the bottom of Cat doing Asteroid's task.
I think the miner is lying.
Can anybody vouch for anyone? Like, was anybody near each other?
VMT and I.
I forget who I saw walked in. Peanut or Juliet walked in cafeteria right around when the body got reported, so.
Just a hunch. I think it's Shady and Alyssa.
Correct.
We'll see. Sus. Okay, I'm trying to do my part around here. I need somebody to follow me to reactor so I can kill them. Shady would be a good kill because he's honestly really smart and can figure anyone out. Usually he figures me out first. If he wants to come up to reactor, he can get killed by me and then I'll turn out the lights. I'm still working on the evil laugh, okay? All right, anybody over here? Oh, it's VMT. Okay, Martin. Well, this is very interesting. There's 2 people here and it looks like Alyssa's gonna come down this way. I don't really want to do a double kill, so maybe we'll go out here. And now I'll turn out the lights. Oh, perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna go down this way. I'm gonna get out of VMT's way. Maybe I can get another kill.
Nah, it's gotta be VMT, bro. It's gotta be. I saw his character glitch through the wall right as he's like walking by a body, bro. Like he did not report it. No, nothing, bro.
Actually, where? I'm up in the hallway.
Yeah, you were walking down from the body.
Going down. I'm going up.
Was he standing on it like purposefully?
Nah, like he was walking away from it, bro.
I feel like this is an Alyssa self-report.
No, because I was with Zoe the whole time.
I've been with her.
Oh, so now we got Zoe and Alyssa. Look, Zoe been sus this whole time. What do you know?
I don't think it's Alyssa 100%, but I'm about to do something. Alyssa, hopefully you win this game, okay, girly pop?
Where do people die at?
What? Nah. I think Zoe tried voting VMT.
There goes that.
Well, I was gonna say, Alyssa, if he was standing on the body, he could also be the jester, which is the only reason why. But if there's 2 imposters, then we are totally cooked if we don't vote somebody.
I like VMT or Cash. I think that's the safest bet.
Why am I dragged into this? What did I do?
Let's go VMT. Okay, Miner. Thank you. What did I do? I'm apparently glitched through a wall even though I'm walking up a hallway.
Alyssa, why would it be VMT? Like, what did he do?
Because me and Zoe were walking down from reactor. We were up there. It was just us 2. Like, we could have killed each other. I don't know. We didn't. And then I saw VMT, like, on the wall, like, walking away from the body.
Where, bro? I'm up in the hallway going to the lights.
Wait, so if it's not him, Alyssa, can we vote you?
Wait. I'm confused. So the body's where exactly?
You know, whenever you, like, split off into, like, a fork in the hallways, it was, like, right at the edge.
There's a map in the top right. Press that. Where's the body? Because I'm going up through a hallway.
When you're, like, walking down the cafeteria.
We have to vote.
Yeah, we have to vote.
Nice. All right. That's fun. It's cool. Whatever.
Did we just lose?
Yeah, boy.
Okay, we're good. He was not the jester. So that means it's just me now. And I gotta fix lights real quick. Let's go fix that. And then I'm gonna try and catch somebody really off guard here. If I could find someone alone, that would be goated. I'm gonna go up here to greenhouse and fake a task. Looks like Shady and Alyssa want to follow me, which is not good. I'm gonna try and get Shady to be killed or something. If I could find somebody else, that would be nice too. Let's go over here to reactor. Now this is good. Is there any dead bodies? No. Just the miner? Okay, good. I'm gonna go fake this task right here. I think somebody might have left. Alyssa Alyssa and Shady are here. Okay, well, this is not good. Looks like we gotta do the greenhouse. Oh, it got fixed. Somebody's the engineer. Well, that's not good. Now I cannot do a sabotage. I think they're all just gonna follow each other around the whole round. I don't like that. Okay, Martin, let's keep going. I'm gonna go to office and fake a couple tasks right here. And then we will go here and do this. Fake that. And then I'm gonna fake this one. All right, good. Now, I don't think the engineer can fix anything else. Everyone's just sticking together, which I don't like. I'm gonna go up here, back to reactor. And I'm gonna kill right here. Oh, nah. Alyssa, it's the miner. Where are you at, Alyssa? Are you at the top of reactor or no?
No, I was in cafeteria.
Okay, what just happened?
Yeah, he got deleted.
Wait, what?
Think the game was glitching.
No.
No, what happened?
I'm sorry.
My win. She totally would have believed me too. All right, let's hop back in. And I'm muted up. The role I will get is crewmate, but it looks like I'm the snitch. So if I complete all my tasks, I can actually figure out who it is. Okay, let's just speedrun all our tasks then. I'm not even going to look at anyone. I want to know who the two imposters are. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to speedrun this task. I'm not even paying attention to anyone. I don't care if somebody dies. Let me do my med bay. Let me do that scan real quick. Oh no. Nah, Juliet's gone. And Shady.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, whoa.
Where was it?
It was by security.
All right, well, I will clear Mia. Were both of the bodies there or no?
I want to say Peanut and Miner because no one would kill that fast.
Well, who was in security though? Because I saw 2 people walk over there.
Not Peanut. Dude, I don't know, bro.
It could be Miner and Peanut.
How do you know if it's not the peanut?
Because they're like goated at this game. Like no one kills that fast. And also poor Shady. Bro dies every time.
Probably got the impersonator too and Swapper.
Yeah, you probably got a really cool role.
Peanut does not kill that fast. I mean, that's true, but like Peanut's good. I don't know. I haven't seen anyone.
I'm gonna sus Peanut and Miner because they're clearing each other, but Mia sus the Peanut.
I can clear Cash though. Cash was next to me in a laboratory.
Yes. All right, keep your eyes peeled. Or your eye, Mia. Let's keep going. Okay, this time, let's go this way and complete all of our left side tasks. I might save medbay to just unsus myself. I just don't want to die. Please. I don't want to die in here. As long as I don't have the download task on my computers, I'm chilling. Looks like we got this thing too. We got to take that down to -40. Perfect. Okay, let's go over here. Peanut's just standing in the middle there. I don't really care. I just want to do my tasks. Fill up this water. Okay, good. And then we'll go up here and then fill the O2 canisters. And I might die here because lights are off. Oh gosh, get me out, get me out. I don't like this. Ooh, we're chilling. Okay, 3 more tasks. I got one up here in electrical. Nico and Peanut just walked down from there. Boom, 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 boom. Somebody is most definitely dead. I should probably go check vitals once I go to the laboratory. Let's just fill this up real quick. And boom, perfect. Okay, I have one more task. Please, nobody kill me. I want to figure out who it is. Oh gosh, lights are going out. Let me just do my task, please. Once I finish this, I can see everybody's roles. I can see who the imposters are. 3 seconds. I swear, if a body gets reported right now. No, no. I was on the last second of my task.
My fault, gang. I just saw on vitals that VMT was dead, so I called a meeting. I don't know where the body was.
Yeah, I could clear the peanut, at least for that round.
Okay, fine.
Wait, who was at the lava pit? There was 3 people there.
I was there for a split second. I ran by, but now I'm all the way in O2.
I think that might have been me, the peanut, and Alyssa.
Miner said Zoe killed Juliet. I have medbay, by the way, so I can fully clear myself. I just didn't want to mention that in the beginning.
I'm right now right next to the office.
Hey, Zoe, how's the swooper roll?
Oh, nah. Zoe, what do you have to say for yourself?
Also, Alyssa moving mad sus.
Do you not see me, Alyssa?
I was not moving sus, bro.
Girl, I saw you in the emergency room.
I was with Mia for more than half of that, and I have a medbay scan.
I thought I was gonna die too, so she didn't kill me.
That's what I'm saying.
I want to say Alyssa and Cash are full cleared. Peanut and Miner seem to be full cleared. It leaves Zoe and Nico. And what a crazy duo that would be. Everyone be careful.
All right, follow me to medbay. It's my last task. Okay, I better not die. I'm gonna be so sad. If I die here, bro, I just want to see who it is. I gotta run. I gotta go. We gotta go. Please, nobody kill me on medbay, please. I just want to figure it out. Who is it? Oh no, it's Peanut and Miner. Peanut, Miner? Oh my goodness. Are you for serious right now, bro? All right, who's going up there? Mia, Zoe, Peanut, and Miner. Okay, very interesting. Peanut and Zoe are over there. I'm getting followed to medbay. Okay, good. I better not die in here, bro. Let me just do my medbay and leave. Okay, go, 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 go. Somebody press the button, please. Is anybody dead? Oh gosh, Miner's dead. Miner is dead. Please, do not die. Ooh, thank goodness I'm not dead.
You know who's nearby?
Hey, Nico and Zoe, how are those imposter rolls?
Yeah, it's Nico and Zoe, 100%.
You guys liking them? Nico, Zoe?
I literally fixed the left side and no one was there.
What's your case, Nico?
What do you mean, what's my case?
Wait, I thought Mia wasn't doing it.
It takes a while to walk to the left side.
That's your case?
Yes, that's my case.
What do you mean?
Well, no, because Mia said that takes quite a while. What do you mean?
I think Zoe, which I hate to say because that's my girly.
Well, let me just say, Nico, I'm sorry, but I finished my medbay task. It was my last one, and I'm the snitch. So I just kind of wasted your time by asking what your case was. I already know it's you and Zoe. Let's go Zoe first. Go Zoe first.
Hurry, go. They're gonna kill Cash.
Do y'all believe Cash, though?
I think Zoe just tried to kill me as a snitch.
You aren't the snitch!
I am the snitch. I have no idea why she failed it. It must have not worked, so I guess we just know it's Nico now.
What a nasty duo. They were rocking us.
He's not the snitch! He's the imposter!
I definitely am the snitch. Everybody saw me go to medbay. We were all in the laboratory.
Then how did Zoe die?
Wait, how did the peanut die?
The peanut's alive.
It shows an X over him.
What?
The peanut is alive for me.
Wait, did the peanut try to guess Zoe? I don't know what happened, actually. The peanut's showing an X over it, but I can't vote anymore. It's like a little glitch. But I know Nico is the last imposter.
Okay, yeah, no, it's definitely Nico.
What do you mean? Dude, Zoe tried to guess Cash, and then she couldn't because he's not the snitch!
I am the snitch. If I die this round, just do not switch your vote. It is most definitely Nico.
I'm voting Nico, but I also can't tell if our game is glitched.
I think Alyssa needs to vote, that's why.
No, my game is glitched.
Oh, nah.
No, we could end up losing this.
Ooh. Wait, how did Zoe get voted for?
Because I voted for her before she died.
What the heck?
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, so Zoe's won. We just need to stay alive, stay together. He's gonna try and kill us.
Okay, well, lights are off. We have 12 seconds for the button. Let's just stay here. Everyone stay around the button. If Alyssa dies, it's gonna be very sad. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, crisis? Oh gosh, we gotta go fix the lights. We must go. Go fix it, go fix it. Somebody press the button. Press the button, press it. I want you to press it. Oh, well, thanks for doing that for us.
Yeah, bro's camping the button.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna kill and we were gonna have to go save Mia or something, but you just pressed it for us.
What's going on here?
What do you mean, what's going on?
Why are there thumbs up everywhere, guys? What's going on here?
Because we already know it's you, bro.
What do you mean?
Two highly experienced people.
Okay.
He gave up.
Get him out!
He gave up.
I'ma stop trolling. I'ma stop trolling.
It's okay. I just had to speedrun my tasks.
What a crazy duo, bro.
That is insane.
That was crazy.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Today, we're back on TCG Card Shop Simulator. And while I was opening packs today, I literally unboxed one of the rarest cards I think I've ever gotten. It was worth so much money, and I'm just gonna let you see for yourself. We're back at our card shop, Cash's Cards, and we got more people to join us today. I think last time it was just Mia and Zoe.
Guess who's here?
I'm here!
It's gonna be nice.
All right, and our last task was to sell 10 cards to customers. So I have my cards up here. They're kind of buns, but that's why we open more packs. Let's see what we got.
Whoa.
You gotta see what kind of cards you get.
Okay, anything good? Nah, no, nothing good.
Nothing special.
Well, that's a great way to start it off. Give me another one.
Oh, no.
You just lost your money, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm opening my own inventory here, but that's because I'm trying to get a good card. What?
What?
What in the world? Okay,
Is that a good card?
that is a way better card to start off with.
Wait, how much is that card?
That's 13,000, bro.
$13,000 card. Okay, well, that's perfect. Now I can sell that.
Oh my gosh.
How much do y'all think I should sell it for?
Is that like normal or what?
Probably like $1 million, right?
I think that's insanely lucky, but I'm not really sure. Okay, we're gonna take off this $4 card, and let's put our new card in. Where is it at? Can I even sell it?
There's no way you can't sell it.
I'm not seeing it.
I forgot what it looked like.
It was all rainbow, that's all I know.
It was very rainbow. We would see it if it was here.
Yo, you got scared, bro.
What the Martin?
Nah, someone came in and boom ganged your pocket, bro.
No, don't say that. Don't say it.
Is that already on the rack, maybe?
It better not be. Okay, hold on. Why are we not getting any customers right now?
I know, nobody's coming in.
What in the Martin?
Dude, we are struggling. We lost the card and everything.
Yeah, I can't see where it is.
Bro, there's no way we lost a $13,000 card.
Oh, I gotta open it up. There we go. Come on in, dude. If you see something you like, go ahead and take it.
Homeboy, buy that $13,000 card for a marked down price.
No, I'm gonna be sad if he does.
Marked down to $5.
They're coming in to buy. We're so far at 253 bucks, and I'm trying to get up a lot more.
What's in the back?
I can't open it.
What?
It's a scam. All right, go ahead, man.
Bro bought some spray paint?
Give me that. Boom. Give me your money. I have to give him $8. There you go. Done. You're welcome, sir. Who else?
Good price.
He better not be saying good price to my $13,000 card.
That's what I'm saying.
That would be annoying. Wow, this is a great price.
Yo, hopefully we'll be able to find that card again soon.
We'll find it somewhere, wherever it is.
Yeah, true.
Holy moly. Someone wants to play with her. Oh, I feel bad. She's just sitting alone. Where'd her glasses go?
She's lonely. me.
Somebody needs to play a card game with her. Hello?
Nah, she lonely like me.
That's messed up. Should we order some more stuff? Let's get a little something nice.
Like what?
Like a rare card pack license.
Yes, I think we should open it ourselves.
Oh, yeah.
Do it! Oh my gosh, I've got a flow!
Yeah, I only had enough money to unlock it, so we gotta wait. Give me 75 bucks. Oh, wait, they're playing here. Look at that. See?
Oh, she got a friend. It's all good.
This is so awesome and amazing. All right, here you go.
Very good price.
I got you, sir. $8? No problem. There you go. What? Wait, yo, hello? What happened?
Interact.
I want to sell this card. How much can I get? He wants 60 cents and I can sell it for 71. Let me think about it.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. That's like no profit.
Yeah, there's no point in me even selling that thing. There you go, sir.
Not for real.
All right, fine. Whatever. Yes, decline. I don't care about your little card, bro. Wait, what was that?
Goopy X?
He didn't show me the front of the card. Oh my goodness. You want to sell something to me? Axe price? Wait, no way.
Bro, let's try to schmaz.
My offer will be
150.
Yeah, $150, $7 profit.
no. I'm gonna make it 140 because I want to sell it for like 160. There you go. There's my offer.
Let me think, bruh.
Not enough money? All right, fine. You want 150? There's no way he wants 188 for this thing, bro.
I'm pretty sure you don't have enough money, bro. It's not him saying that.
Oh, true that.
You got 83 bucks. Wait, you can ship the card pack now, right?
All right, I'll give you 83 bucks. Way too low. Let me go ahead and do this real quick and then I'll buy those card packs. 68 bucks. Oh, nice. Thank you for that. That guy left.
Big buyer.
Huh, whatever.
Well, you have $150. You can buy what you need.
I know. I'm gonna buy it. Boom.
Get that rare card pack.
And purchase. Nice.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Now we just gotta wait for it to arrive. Wait, it's already here.
Yo, it's that 1 second shipping. That's goated.
That's what I'm saying. All right, let's open this thing up and then we gotta place it over here. Boom, 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 boom.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Why is there an exclamation point right there? Oh wait, throw it. I gotta set the price. Average cost is $236. Okay, we'll sell it for $350. No, you know what? $4.
Oh, we getting expensive.
Yeah, we're overpricing these. All right, let's open one though. Open it up. What do we got?
It's gotta be good.
No.
Ooh, some of that's good.
$8. $8 card.
That's okay, I guess, but nothing really crazy.
Okay, take it.
I want something better. 5, 4.
So give us a $13,000 value.
That's what I'm saying. Where even is that?
Where did that go?
I don't know how we got so lucky. $2. There you go, sir. What you want to buy? Oh. If I see somebody check out this card, I am kicking them out.
You gotta deny them.
Okay, wait. Let's see. We have to pay our bills in 7 days. I think we're chilling on that. Let's go to the prices, and let's see what else we can buy later. We can get a fire battle deck.
Is that even good?
I don't know.
They're down in the market, bruh.
A lot of these cards look cool, though. I kind of want to open an Epic Destiny pack.
Okay, I have a solution to your problem.
Word.
Go to the album.
Okay.
And click F and try clicking Tetramon, Destiny, or Ghost. Just sort through those.
Doesn't look like it's in Tetramon. Okay. Doesn't look like it's in Destiny.
Now do Ghost.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, the $13,000 card!
It's right there. I almost don't want to sell it.
Shady, you're a genius.
Should I keep it?
It is so pretty.
Dude, if you sold that, you could probably multiply your money.
Yeah, but it's my prized possession. We can only do it if we are in dire situation.
Dude, sell it! What are you doing?
All right. If I put it down here, then someone can steal it before I change the price. So you know what? Just in case, I'm closing the store.
They can actually do that?
Yes, if I don't set the price fast enough, they could just steal it.
Bro, you better see like 50 people run in.
Y'all better not.
$0.
Okay. Do I trust those guys?
Yeah, trust them.
Now they good? Watch them both get up.
All right. I'm going to sell it for 14,000.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Okay. Go.
Yo, they're coming.
14,000. I did it quickly.
Oh my gosh.
Now we will see if anybody buys it. Although, I think that's a little too high.
Can you get robbed in this game?
$1.40.
I better not get robbed. There we go. 13,500.
That is such a lucky card.
That's what I'm saying. It makes me want to open more.
Ooh, $1.40.
I think we should open as much as we can.
Open up. Anything good?
All right, Shady, this is your deck.
No, it's not, bro.
Oh, your buns.
That's your deck, bro. You called it.
Okay, fine. Shady, you go.
I'm the one after this one.
So this is Zoe's. 3 and nothing good, Zoe.
Better than Nico's. Better than Nico's, though. No cap.
All right, now this is Shady's.
This one better be $5,000 card. Calling it.
All right, let's go.
It better not.
Oh, $6.
Okay.
Okay.
What the Martin?
That's profit right there. That's profit.
That's all right.
That definitely is profit. We're goated. All right, $8. 1, 2, 3. There you go, sir. What about you?
Yo, what if someone tries to steal the card?
I don't think they can do that. They're in a case, right? They got the Apple security on them.
Yeah, they just run.
We only need one more customer customer to complete this task as well. Although no one's coming in. So you know what? I guess I'm just gonna open more packs.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. One. No, nothing good. Yeah, whack. All right, really bougie?
All right, Nico, that card pack was buns.
No, this one's mine.
Nah. This one is Zoe's. This one's Zoe's.
All right, let's see. We're going straight through it.
Come on.
You had one that was $6.
Better than Nico.
I'll take it.
Next one's mine. Next one.
Nah, next one is mine. We're doing same order.
Okay.
All right, this one's Shady's. Let's go.
Yo!
Nah. What was that, bro?
Profit though. All right, Nico's. This one's yours.
All right, Nico.
Alright, give it to me.
Here we go.
Come on.
$30?
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, Boosh.
Okay, bro.
Okay, Cash, you want to call one?
That's pretty goated. Yeah, this one's mine right here. Watch. Let's go. Open up. And buns. All right.
Oh, okay, no, actually, it's profit.
That's some profit. That was profit.
It was profit, but it's not amazing. I want that 13,000 again. Is it still there? Oh, look at it.
This is gonna be gone.
It's gonna get sold or stolen.
And I'm not going to make any money off of it.
Yo, I think the blondie over there wanted to join in on the game, and they said nah.
No, that's messed up.
Oh, wait, he's looking.
Oh, he's stealing the car.
Oh, wow. Only if I have enough money.
Well, then get the money, bro. We need a rich businessman to come in here and get it.
I know who we need to walk up in here.
Oh, true that.
Her name starts with an M.
Mia?
Yeah.
That is very true. She would probably buy it.
She would buy that thing.
She's obsessed with Pokemon cards.
Except this isn't Pokemon, is it?
It is.
This is Pokemon?
Yep.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't have that mod installed.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh, it's a little expensive. Bro, of course it's expensive. It's worth $13,000.
Nah, she was talking about the $5 one.
Oh. What's wrong with this one?
Kirisoon.
$4.09 is the market price. I feel like that's totally worth... Oh, probably this one. Let's do this. And then that will stay at $6. Okay, why is it so dark in here? Why are my lights not turned on? It was like that the entire time.
There was definitely a $500 card in one of those, bro. You just lost money.
I know. I don't like them buying these. I want them. I'm greedy. It's mine. Give me some. Ooh, $20. All right.
Okay, that was a good one.
Might as well sell some of these.
That was bussin'.
True, that was bussin' and sheesh. All right, let's sort it and we'll sell this one. Oh, go quick. 35.
Go.
Okay.
Hey, yeah.
And now let's sell this one for 25. Don't you steal it. Don't you steal it.
They're gonna steal it.
If you sell the $13,000 card, I think we should use that to buy a good box.
I agree.
Yeah, I think we should. I'm excited.
Yeah, we buy the best box with it. Maybe I should just sell it at market price. I think that's the move.
Yeah, 13,000 is 13,000.
Yeah, I think you should just sell it at 13,000.
That's what I'm saying. Boom. All right, somebody buy that off of me. All right, $2. There you go, sir. Oh, we have no cards left. Hold on. Let me order some. Stock order. I need level 12 to buy the good card packs.
Bruh.
Come on, you gotta get the level.
Bro, I would love to buy this.
That would be crazy. And then we just lose all of our money.
Okay, we'll just buy some more rare card packs.
And then we're broke.
Add to cart and purchase.
Same day shipping go crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Give me that. Boom. Let's start the next day. Wait, please tell me the box stays in my hand.
That'd be bad.
It's broken.
I'm gonna be very sad if it doesn't stay in my hands. Okay, thank goodness. Whew.
All right, what do we get? Another one of those?
Yeah, I'll buy another basic card pack.
He couldn't get another one because they were too high level. Yo, is that guy stinky? Look outside.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, some of these people smell. So they have to buy the sprays in our shop. It's like deodorant.
He had like a green aura on him. What was that, bro?
If there's too many stinky people in my shop, then I'll get bad ratings.
He's musty.
That's why we sell these sprays. Oh, we don't have any sprays.
You forgot the card, silly.
Uh-oh.
Bro needs to get his customers right, bro. Needs some deodorant.
Okay, accessories, cleansers. Add to cart.
I did not know we sold that.
Yeah, we kind of have to because a lot of these people do not smell great.
Yo.
I don't know why. Don't ask me. The game did it. All right, there we go. And then we'll sell these cleansers as well.
They about to steal the box.
No, they better not. Oh, wait. I also need to fill that up as well. If I go to the stock order and then I go to booster packs.
We are spending our money.
Yo, so what are they trying to say? Are they trying to say people who buy cars are stinky?
Yeah, so they're saying Mia is stinky.
Dang, crazy diss.
Whoa. We can sell dice? Okay, well, why don't I do that? We'll do the red ones. That is expensive.
Whatever, we good.
All right, we'll buy one of these, though. Add to cart and then purchase. We got to fill that up somehow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. There we go. 4 of those. And now we can get to opening some more. Oh, let me open the shop. I am twipping. Open this up. What do we got? Nah, nothing. Yep. Come on. I want to get another 13,000. I'm kind of addicted to this now. Also, I could also sell this under market price a little bit just so it sells quicker. Like that. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad if it sold for that.
True.
I don't know if $100 is going to sway anyone, bro.
Yeah, that is true. But we'll see. If it still takes long, I just want to get the money today. And then let's open open these ones. Oh, 20 bucks. That's not bad. It's pretty cool, actually. All right, now I gotta check out some customers.
Dude, we are banking right now.
Yeah, let me stop opening cards for a little bit and do this. 24 bucks. Boom.
Yo, can we get employees? I just want to open cards.
That's what I'm saying. All right, 13 bucks. There you go. And you, sir? How much change? $0. Good. Let's open some more of these things. Open up. What do we got? Anything cool? Nope, nothing cool.
Buns.
Buns packs, bruh. Come on, dude. I want another, like, $1 million card.
Buns.
All right, open up. Anything cool? Mm-mm.
Oh, gosh.
This is gonna be a while.
Okay, let's open a basic pack.
The basic pack gave us the luck.
Maybe it'll actually be good.
Yeah, basic pack gave you that crazy card, bro.
True. It's our good luck card pack. Never mind.
Good luck charm. Ew.
That's awkward.
We're still getting profit, though, every time.
This guy bought the $35 card. Holy moly.
Bro, just tell him to spend $13,000 real quick.
That's what I'm saying. It's only 12,000. All right, here, fine. I'll make it 12,000. You think that'll persuade people?
I don't know.
Maybe.
I'll literally sell the card for 12,000 if I could just make money.
$100. Take it or leave it.
100 bucks. All right.
Yeah, guys looking at it.
Ain't no way.
Oh, he was. I swear.
Come on, just buy it, dude. Just give me my money. All right, whatever. I'll just open my own then. Did he just take it?
He took the middle one. He took the middle one.
Oh.
That is sad. So close.
I thought he took the end one. Come on, bro. If you want more cards, you can go buy that $12,000 one. I promise. I just opened it today. PSA 10. I didn't really get it graded. It's mint condition, dude.
It's battle scarred.
Some of these cards also look really cool, but they don't really sell for much. Maybe I should start working a little more on my store and stop opening card packs.
Probably.
I think we should definitely order some things.
Because you gotta have somewhere to sell all those cards.
That is true. I could buy shop expansion, so I think we're gonna aim for 300 bucks and then buy that.
Bet.
All right, let me just check some people out. Those guys are playing over there too. Oh, this guy might just get me to 300. Okay, Sigma.
Oh, we just spent a lot of money.
91 bucks. Easy. Well, that was quick. Let me go here and shop expansion. Boom.
Oh, yes. Expand.
Hey, yo, that's not really that great of an expansion.
That is terrible. Bro got a little corner.
I mean, for 300 bucks, I guess it's not bad.
Yo, you got a little crevice.
Little baby crevice.
Dude, wait, walk into it.
Hey, yo, what is this crevice for?
Yeah.
Oh, he's looking at it.
Ain't no way.
Oh, he took it. He boom ganged it.
No, he didn't.
Oh, man.
Yo, he's trying to boom gang it. He's trying to boom gang it.
Bro, he's not boot ganging anything.
He's doing like a couple spins, bro. You can't trust him.
Bro, I'm just trying to move my shelf here. Yeah, he's definitely looking if I'm watching him or not. Hey, bro, you know I got cameras. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, what you trying to buy? Oh, he's trying to play. Nah, sorry. You're alone on that one, bro. I also have no more card packs on that top shelf, but we can open the basic ones. Might as well. Ooh, 16 bucks? It's not horrible.
Put that on the counter.
Yeah, I will. Let's go here. Let's do this, and we'll sell that for 21 bucks. Don't you steal it.
Boot gang.
You better not boot gang. All right, we'll sell this one for 18 bucks, and then we'll sell this one for $1,000 I want.
Bro, stinky.
Wait, who is? Is there a stinky in my store?
Yo, why that guy looking at them like that?
I got no idea.
I know, bro. Like,
You ain't trying to say my friend request, bro? Well, won't be my friend.
Yo, the bruz is playing right now. All right, I guess no one wants to buy my 12,000. Hello, would you like to buy the card? No. What'd you take? I think they left. They don't want to play anymore. Yo, is this Sky Jade?
Yo! They got bored.
True.
crazy name drop.
Thank you. Come again. Maybe another day we'll sell that $13,000 card, but it's not going to be today. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Today, we played Rooftop Alleys, a parkour game where you verse your friends to see who can get the fastest time. There's also medals you can get based on how fast you are, and we got really determined to beat one time, so it started to make us a little mad. I hope you enjoy watching us getting angry. Are y'all ready to race to see who can get the best time?
Let's go!
I'm so ready.
All right, start it in 3, 2, 1, go. Ugh, move out of my way.
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
It's time to start racing. You guys were blocking me though.
Go, go, go!
Oh yeah?
Oh no, what did I just do?
Oh, I'm gonna beat this time trial.
Get back over here.
Just wait.
Nah, bro.
Give me up. No, give me up. Oh gosh, wait, I'm already fumbling.
Yo, talk to him?
Go, 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 go.
Nico already passed me. This is embarrassing.
Nah, bro.
Let me above it. All right, you just wait, Nico.
Ah!
Ah!
Did I just miss that circle? I did.
Go, 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 go.
I'm climbing!
Okay, this is actually a lot harder with the controls than you guys might think.
Yes!
No way.
Oh my gosh, I am slaying right now.
I'm ahead of Cash right now. I'm going.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Dude, the controls of this game are so difficult, but once we get the hang of it, this is gonna be so easy.
Oh, yeah.
And I did it.
Man, I am buns at this. Wow, I thought I was gonna be way better.
Yeah!
Duh!
I did it!
I just died. Oh gosh, how do I get back up? Am I last? Are you kidding me?
Yeah!
No, this is so embarrassing. I thought I was better than this. Yeah.
Yo.
And I'm at the end. Wow.
Nah, bruh.
Wait, I still got 1 minute.
1 minute? Yikes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait.
Dude, 1 minute? I got 49 seconds.
There's another trial over here. We go again.
Yo.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yo.
3, 2, 1, start.
Go.
All right, let's go.
Which way? Which way? Oh my gosh.
This time I'm goaded. This time I will not die.
Dude, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No! Mia, you hit me.
Don't follow me.
You, Martin.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
I'm not letting Mia win this.
Dude, I'm literally... Wait, how did I go from first to being last? What's going on?
Oh, yeah. Wait, I'm goaded. Hold on. This time I learned the controls.
Go, go, go.
Look at Mia. Look at her.
Go.
She's slowing down.
Go, go.
Oh, I know you're slowing down, Mia. Yeah. She falling.
Ah, what was that?
Okay, wait. Y'all were hating on me, but now I'm goaded.
I'm all the way in the back. This is not good.
Let me up. Let me up.
Go, 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 go.
Mia's trying to beat me right now. I don't like it.
Go.
Okay, I tried it, but it didn't work.
Let me through.
Hold on. Why am I so bunned?
Go, go.
Yeah.
Dude,
Hello, Mia.
do you have to hit all the rings?
I think so.
Yes.
I think I missed the ring. Oh, no.
Are you serious? Wait.
I gotta go back.
Where do we go?
I got 52-33.
Oh, I did it. 51.3.
What?
Guys, I don't want to talk about it.
Nico, are you still back there?
I got a solid 55.
I'm abandoning this time trial. I'm done.
Oh, no. Wait, let's do some more.
I rage quit.
That's actually really fun. I'm learning my parkour stunts right now, although I'm kind of buns with it.
Okay.
There's one up here. It's called Trick Rush.
Okay, should we do that one?
Definitely. I don't know what it is compared to a time trial, but I'm guessing the more tricks we do, the more points we get.
Oh, I don't know how to do tricks.
3, 2, 1, start. All right, watch this.
Backflip.
What do we do?
Front flip. Oh!
Oh, wait, our goal is to get the highest record. Okay, bet.
Okay. So whoever gets the most points wins this.
Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not landing any of my tricks. I'm not gonna lie. I could land this front flip though.
Go, 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 go. Yes?
Okay, I'm buns. Let me just do some other tricks.
Wait, what? I'm not landing any of my tricks.
Maybe you have to do it off of a ramp.
I got 0 points.
Yeah. Let me up.
I'm going up.
I'm gonna land a cool trick and y'all are gonna see. Oh wait, it's because of the combo. The combo keeps going. You see that? Yeah.
What? It says failed. I did all that for what?
I have 15,000 points.
Boom, boom.
Yeah.
What?
Did that count? Oh wait, I'm kind of doing buns right now.
I have 0. I'm flopping around. Oh no.
You need 150,000 points for gold.
I was spam clicking. I ended the trial.
What? Okay, wait, hold on. But dude, I am buns.
Dude, I got a 15 combo right now.
Wait, what if I just spam these? Oh yeah. I think I failed it though. Yeah. Mia, are you grinding down here?
I'm trying. It's so hard.
I know, right?
Oh, but the trick circle's shrinking. It's shrinking.
Wait, what?
Get up to the top.
Ugh.
Go.
I'm failing all my tricks.
Oh yeah, no, I'm locked in right now. I'm so locked in.
Wait, can I get back up? I only have 11 seconds. This is so much harder than I expected.
This is so hard. What?
No, I'm gonna fail it. Ugh.
Oops.
I got 15,000.
Dude, I keep ending my trial on accident.
I got 40,000.
What?
40,000?
Yeah.
I got 200.
Yo, guys, I got 0.
I think Mia grinded the points. That's not fair. I say we go again.
Okay, bet.
I need to learn some better tricks.
Oh my gosh, can I get up?
Dude, I need to unbind my 3 key.
Yeah, you do. Now I know what tricks to do.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, start.
Go.
Front flip time. Woo!
Yeah, I've been practicing without me, huh?
Aw, I already failed.
Oh my gosh, I flopped. Are you serious? I did the same thing Cash did and I fumbled.
Okay, we both tried it, but we both failed apparently. Okay, I think I got a combo right now. I'm at 5,000. That's not bad. I'm practicing all of them.
How do I do this?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do Mia's strategy of just grinding down here.
Nah, bro, I'm grinding down here. Yeah, that's the strat.
No, I'm terrible. I am so bad.
Yeah, you're not able to fail when you don't fall. You feel me?
Yeah, that's true. Although I'm gonna go back up.
Oh my gosh, I'm infinitely... Dude, what's going on?
I feel like I get more tricks.
Guys, are you not sprinting?
Wait, what do you mean not sprinting? Everyone's sprinting. Yeah.
Are you sprinting while you're doing your trick?
Yeah.
Come on, I'm locked in right now.
Oh, okay.
I thought I was better, but I'm honestly kind of buns at this. Yeah. All right, watch this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, okay.
No, I failed. What was that?
I'm at 42,000 so far. I don't know how Mia got like 50,000 last round though.
No, that was Zoe.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, true. You got 200.
Dude, I was just doing little front flips.
I'm learning this right now. All right, off the edge. Wow.
Dude, you kicked me.
What just happened to me?
Yo, the trick zone. It's going down.
There we go. Okay, the trick zone is shrinking. I think, okay, I ran into the wall.
I'm running into walls now.
Yo, I think I need to get back up.
I'm trying to do as many tricks in this small space as possible.
The top of the roof has a lot more space, but our time's up. I got 42,000.
Okay, I got 35,000.
Oh, I got 41 this time.
I got 2.
What?
Oh.
2,000.
For buns.
Dude, it's hard.
Yeah.
I say we do another time trial. All right, we're on a new map. Y'all follow me this way.
Okay.
All right, new time trial. Let's go.
Oh, yeah?
Y'all are gonna get cooked.
No, I am not. Maybe the rest of them will.
I cooked you twice.
This time trial right here is probably going to be way harder, but I'm ready.
I'm not ready. I'm scared.
Wait, hold on. I gotta get up. Wait,
Now look at Mia. She already behind.
Wait, stop. Wait.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Go!
Oh, it's this way. Oh, thank goodness.
Whoa!
Let me up.
It's up.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4. Boom.
Go.
Land it.
Go, yeah.
Yes, good. Oh,
Land it.
I missed a circle.
nah, you buns.
Oh my gosh, dude. The controls, bro.
Wait, I'm goated with this right now.
Yo, how do I dive?
I have no idea how I'm even doing this.
Okay.
Let me up. There we go.
Oh my gosh, what was that?
Yo,
I'm so bad with timing.
guys, I'm cooking. What just happened to me?
Oh.
What just happened? Are you kidding me?
Yo, guys.
Brother died.
I'm trying to do too much, and I'm last place. It's not good.
Oh, nah. This isn't good for me either. Yeah, let me across. Yes. Good.
Yep, Nico.
Yeah.
Keep doing it. Yep.
Wait, what is Nico doing?
Oh my, I fell to the bottom. What is that?
I got 43 seconds. I got bronze.
Yo, guys.
Ooh, I got 47.
Oh?
Yo, don't look at me. Don't look at me over here.
I think I'm gonna get first because Nico's far behind.
Ooh, Nico.
What is that, bro?
What just happened to you?
Boom.
Oh, he's swinging down there.
Boom. Wait for it.
Wait.
Oh, you fell again.
All right, next time trial. Let's go.
Bro, press 3. There's one up here.
We have to get all the way back over there.
Yeah, nah, you buns. She went all the way to spawn.
Stop playing with him.
Ow.
Just wait until I learn every trick in the book. I'm about to be so goated at this.
My character just keeps flopping around. Dude, y'all got better base stats than me or something.
True, we got the god genetics. How is Zoe doing better than everyone else right now, too?
Jump.
Except me. I'm goated.
Plot armor. Jump.
Nah, she all fitted up, too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, ready?
All right, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's this way. It's this way.
Lock in.
Oh, how do I do this? Yeah.
Oh my, I just how is that impossible?
Come on, let me up. What just happened?
What is that? How do you wall slide?
Are you kidding me? Duh, I need to make it back up.
I don't remember how to do that.
You have to hold down left click. No, I'm buns. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm actually losing this to Mia. I can't have this happen.
I'm gonna try. How do you do it?
Like this. No, I got blocked by y'all.
Dude, what? How is that physically possible?
Mia, are you winning right now?
Go.
Let me watch you do it.
Like this. No. Okay, hold on.
No, I fell. I just lost everything.
This is embarrassing.
Okay, what?
Yes?
You jump at the wall and I'm spamming right or left click.
I can't lie. I'm not even getting past the first jump, and neither is anyone else.
Dude, yeah, no, what is that?
No, Zoe. Oh.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, did you make it?
Zoya did something.
Oh, I did it. Yeah, you had a wall jump. There you go, I did it.
That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, there we go. Finally. Holy smokes, this is a bad time.
Whoa. Oh my, what?
Whoa, Martin.
Dude, yeah, you have to jump at it. It's so weird.
What just happened to me? I'm just learning this right now.
There's 2 in a row.
No! Man, I am buns. Let me go again.
Dude, I'm not supposed to do parkour. I don't know how.
Let me stop trying to be fancy right now. Oh, never mind. I'm not even trying to be fancy. I'm just trying to make this.
Fancy like Danny.
You know, if you build up your adrenaline, it actually works out really good.
Okay. Yeah, boom. Oh, what? It's okay. At least I landed it. Now we go here. Yes. Good.
No.
Finally. Okay, now we go here. Yes. Boom. I'm doing it. I got the hang of it.
Oh, dude. There's a jump that you guys will not be getting up here.
Oh, gosh. Okay, yeah. I just need to make sure not to fall to the bottom.
Oh, I got it.
Yes.
I fell to the bottom.
Okay, really? All right, how do we do this, though?
Dude.
Wait, I know how.
I'm not a parkour master.
Watch this, Zoe. 1, 2, 3. I tried.
I'm just gonna do this. Oh, no.
Oh, gosh. Okay. I got this. I gotta, like, jump. No, not the pole. I don't like the pole. Guys,
Hey, what's up, Cash?
I died to the pole.
I finished.
Oh, gosh.
You finished?
How?
It was hard.
Mia, how are you so good?
How did you do this?
I jump at the corner and I spam space and left click at the same time as I'm jumping.
What?
Spam, like,
I'm spamming it. I don't know how you're doing that.
Nice. Okay, she locked in. Never mind. We're good.
Let me up. Okay. I'm doing the spam strat. No. Wrong way, gang. Oh, wait. No. Blah.
Dude, it's literally just this jump that's messing me up.
Yeah, I know. That one at the top.
What is that, dude?
Let me up. Yes. Okay. We go up here. Why you climb to the side? I don't get it.
Dude, how do I climb up from here, Cash?
I have no idea.
There we go.
Why is it jumping off the side? I don't get it. This game's gonna make me cry.
Nico, you can go over here.
This is the hardest one we've done so far.
Oh.
Wait, what?
But I don't know how to do this jump over here. You guys didn't know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Jump at the white wall.
This is so much easier.
Watch this.
Bunt.
All right, watch this.
You gotta dive. I think you gotta dive over it.
You gotta dive over that?
Let me see.
I don't know how in the world I'm supposed to do that.
Oh, wait, what? How did I do that?
Wait, what did you just do?
I just cooked tea right over it. I don't know. I don't know how I did that.
You clicked T? Oh!
And I fumbled.
I don't know what Nico did.
and I just fell to the bottom. All that progress
No, I did too.
gone.
All of our progress is just getting deleted right now.
Guys, this is taking 4 minutes.
Yeah, I know. I think all of us are struggling though.
Okay, go. Okay,
All right, let me up.
Okay.
I'm back.
jump over here like this.
Yeah, I'm back. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, yeah.
I almost did it.
I'm not back on. What is this?
Yeah. Okay, why?
Dialing, Nico.
I'm about to quit this time trial. I'm about to give up. This is crazy.
I just flew into the void.
I don't like this.
Are you serious? Yeah. Mia, how did you do this?
Dude, I thought I was a parkour god. What happened to me?
I don't know. And if I'm being quite level with you,
Dude, literally, how is Mia so good?
I don't get it.
Dude, Mia goaded.
I need to see how Mia did this part.
This is like the most difficult game we played, and she's the best.
Okay, let me see if I can do it. If I can't even like do anything now. What's going on?
Oh my goodness.
She cheated.
Yeah, she cheated.
There's only one way.
I kind of just like ran up here and then just like.
I got you.
What?
You dive over it. You cook tea.
That's what I did though.
We'll do it better.
You lie.
Dude, how do I get up this one again?
Oh my goodness.
You're at the hard one, Zoe. That one took me like I don't know, a while.
Dude, I'm at the bottom again because I fell.
Oh, I found it.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one last time.
Jump to get on top of the little area, but like while you're running, and then spam jump and left click. Yes.
No, for that one, just press left click and then jump over the first one and then do a big jump.
How do you do the big jump?
I've done that before. That one, E. You could do jump force.
Oh, okay. So you're saying to do this. Oh no. Oh, that's not what she said. Okay. Well, let me try this again.
If I could get back up there, I could show you, but I'm confused.
So do I just hold E?
Hold E and like then jump.
Okay.
Guys, I'm doing it.
Let's try this.
I did it.
No way.
Yeah, no, after that, those difficult parts is easier.
I hope so because I am really struggling on this.
Let me.
I'm pretty sure Nico's going to the hard part.
No, I finished.
Okay.
Let's go.
So jump force. No! Why you do it?
Dude, I keep on fumbling.
Why you do it? Okay, last try. Here we go. Jump force. No, it's not even. Why does the jump force not even work?
Well, you gotta like do it at a specific time. You can't fully do it.
Dude, you gotta speak to your chakra. That's it.
I don't understand how to jump.
Dude, I don't know, not at all.
Do I hold down left click?
Come on, Cash, you gotta hone in your inner nen.
The jump force doesn't even work for me. I hold it down and then what happens?
You have to speak to the speed force, Cash.
Yeah.
You wanna watch me?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay.
Oh, wait, what? How you do it?
Oh.
I jump onto that first part at first, and as I keep going, I'm spamming.
Okay.
So I jump and then.
No, oh gosh. Okay.
It's like rolling you. Why?
Yeah, because I'm spamming spacebar. So like this. Okay. Wait, no. Wrong way. I'm gonna get this.
Blind.
Now I'm obsessed. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I did it.
Yes!
I finally did it. Oh my goodness.
Let's go. Now don't fall.
And it's way easier this way. Oh my goodness. Wow. I can't believe it took me that long. I've taken 7 minutes. Oh gosh.
A really hard jump comes up.
Okay. I think I know how to do it now. Wait, what is this?
I'm so cheesed right now.
Nice. Yes, you did it. You just did it.
That was it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just don't slide off now. Do not slide off.
Zoe, peep the fit and the proportions.
Nico, you already won?
Dude,
I've been winning, dude.
I can't look right now because of...
Brian Buns.
Oh, yes.
I'm trying my best to get to the end here.
You got it, bro.
There we go. I did it. 8 minutes. Oh, God.
Let's go.
Yo, that is so bad.
Wait, I'm almost done.
Don't even hype me up for that. I don't want to be hyped up. I'm just glad I completed it, honestly.
Yo, Mia, peep the fit.
Oh, nah.
Now I'm sliding down a roof.
Who let you out in that?
Nah, that's crazy. Okay, please. There's got to be another parkour course that I can actually cook on and get first.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm determined, so I'm gonna be on this one for a minute.
That jump, what Mia taught me was goated. You have to sprint at it and then jump and then land on it and then jump again.
Oh, nah. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I quit.
Okay.
This is too much.
It gives you like a super jump. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's this way. Let's go.
Go time! go.
Go time.
Go.
Oh, yeah. Land that? No, I didn't land it. Oh, gosh.
Oh.
No one saw that.
Oh, dude, I fell on my face.
Oh, nah. Oh, get me up here. Yes.
Yes.
I think I'm cooking.
Climb, climb, climb.
All right, here we go.
Go, 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 go.
Now,
About to get difficult.
now is actually the race where I learned how to play the game. Don't worry.
Come on.
Ow.
Oh, I gotta go this way.
Log in, log in. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I died. Oh, no.
Oh, no. Just spam space and you'll respawn. It's chilling. Yes.
Oh, you do?
Yep. Ugh. Okay, I don't know why I tried to get on top of that. Let me up.
I did not respawn.
How do I get back up there?
Whenever I spam space after I die, it just respawns me right there. Yeah. All right, wait. Am I in first right now? Am I cooking?
No, I can't let this happen.
Yes. I'm cooking. I got 50 seconds.
No.
But wait.
No.
That's only bronze. I feel like I should go for gold.
There's no way you're gonna be able to get gold.
Oh, really?
I did not see it.
I'll wait for y'all to get here because there's another time trial.
Okay, bet. I'm coming.
I'll get gold on this next one. There's Nico. Oh,
I literally messed up on one thing.
Ah.
I just watched him flop.
I did it.
Press space.
Whee!
Nico.
Oh, he did.
Nah, bro. I'm chilling down here.
Oh, okay.
Why have feet dangling?
I know.
Ugh. All right, next time trial. Let's go.
It's this one.
Wait, we just did that one, right? Oh, wait, no.
We just did this one.
Oh, this one.
Did we do that one?
We just did that one too.
Well, then let's go for gold on this one.
Let's do it.
One of them we didn't do.
Let's go.
We did this one in the very beginning.
Oh.
All right, 3, 2, 1, start. Yes.
Go!
Oh, yeah, this is the starting one. She's right.
Behind us.
Let's go, though. It's time for all of us to get gold. Or just me. I'd be okay with that, too. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh my, I did the same thing again.
Nah. Let me cross. If I get gold, then you guys all have to pay me $100.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nah.
No, I don't want to do that.
What do you mean? You don't want to?
No.
We can make a bet. I'll get first place.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Okay, well, you're already in the lead, bro, so.
I know. Exactly.
Yeah, we should have made that bet like before you were in the lead.
No. Oh, I almost died on that. Let's go. I think I got first place the first time we did this, too.
What? Dude, how is that even possible? What's going on?
Bye-bye, Nico.
Wait, I'm not getting gold. I got bronze again. I can so get gold in that if I don't fail.
Oh, yeah, me too, dude.
What in the cheese is happening?
If I don't fail.
I have to prove something to myself. I'm going to do that again. First one of us to get gold gets $100. All right, I decided.
Oh, boy.
And it's going to be me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get gold. I'm done.
No, we will see.
I'm tryharding.
Oh, Mia respawned here?
Yeah, I just like left that because I'm trying to get gold and I definitely wasn't there.
I'm trying to get gold.
Yeah, and I was fumbled.
Let me across. All right, I just cannot fumble on any of these. No, I fumbled. Okay, maybe I can still get gold here. I think I could be chilling. I just got to be flawless on everything else.
Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Oh, I so got this. Come on.
Wait, I gotta lock in.
Okay, what?
Oh, yes. I got a good round.
Oh, I don't know if this is a good round. I think I can do it, though. Get me up there. Oh, gosh.
No. I fumbled. It's all good, though.
Oh, gosh. Please, I'm right there. I'm right there.
It's only possible. Oh,
Okay, really?
Come on, Nico. Go.
I just got bronze again.
dude, I almost got it by 2 seconds.
I know, I keep getting so close.
Fine.
This is honestly kind of embarrassing. Mia, how did you respawn at the start?
Come on. Oh, I got bronze. Are you serious?
You gotta stop midway through.
Bro, what is that?
All right, here we go again. We start now. Yes.
Locking.
All right, this is actually lock-in time. I'm no longer failing this. Yes, good. Okay, that's fine. Go across.
No.
Yes.
Dude, I glitching.
You're glitching.
Okay, I'm good. I'm back on track.
Wait, I think I actually got a good time going right now. I'm at 22 seconds. Yeah. Let me up. Don't you die on me. I think I slowed myself down a lot right there. Wait, I can get this though. Let me through.
No, I'm not gonna make it.
No, I got silver.
What is this? What?
I am so determined right now. Y'all don't even know.
Me too.
I'm getting this whatsoever. All right, here we go. Start the trial. Go.
What is that?
Boom. Yes, go this way. 38 seconds. Here we go. I got 40 last time. Okay, I'm actually doing good right now. I'm actually doing great. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me that gold. I need it. Okay.
Come on.
I'm at 21. Zoe, are you about to get it?
Maybe? No. I was so close. I'm so mad. I was literally 1 second off from getting it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, I think I'm gonna get it. 37?
Are you gonna get it?
No, I got 38 seconds exactly.
No!
Are you serious? I had a flawless run too and everything.
Dude, the rage is real.
I know. I have to get this gold.
Oh, that was an awful run.
I am so mad at myself.
Go.
Go. All right, here we go. Okay, I already cooked that. Let me end that. We go again. All right, run it. Let's go.
Dude, how am I supposed to get this?
No, I missed it. Okay, I'm restarting. If I don't get it perfect, I am not getting this gold. There we go.
Whoa!
Yes.
How did I? Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you serious? Now if I don't get perfection, I'm restarting. Now we go up this way. Run across. Yes. Good. Okay, there we go. I think I'm starting to cook again. Please.
I keep getting silver, 39.9.
Oh, gosh. So you're getting close. Okay, I think I got a good time going right now, though. As long as I don't fail.
What is that?
What did you get?
I keep getting bronze, bro.
Okay.
I'm just a bronze player.
Are you a bronze player? Wait, I might get it here.
Nah, bro, I'm diamond.
Go, go, go. No! Silver again.
Y'all be thinking I'm bronze, but I'm diamond.
I'm getting this.
That's my real rank.
Okay.
I'm just a smurf.
I'm about to be grandmaster in this.
Y'all laughing. Y'all laughing until you see my real rank.
He's leveling up.
All right, here we go. Time trial. Boom. Let me up. Go, go, go.
Just wait, because I'm doing my placements.
Okay, Martin.
Keep getting caught up on these walls, though.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Dude.
See, I can do the first part really clean. The second part's just hard. Maybe I'm just buns. I don't know.
The walls are cooking me.
Ah, what is that?
Okay, come on. Please. Please do not mess up this time. Let me up. Let me up. No. Okay, I think I'm cooked.
What is that?
Guys, I think I might be cooked. I don't think I'm getting 38.
Dude, this is so hard.
I know. Why? Why is it so impossible?
Okay, go.
Yes, here we go. Yeah.
I gold on my alt.
Yeah.
Why can't I get it on my main?
You did not get gold on your alt. This is all of our first times playing.
Y'all laughing at me.
I'm not laughing.
I'm laughing.
Oh, okay, I'm kind of laughing. Sorry.
That's crazy. You just riding the bandwagon.
A little bit. I just want to win. All right.
You need to be optimized.
I keep missing this jump. It's so hard. Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting it this time.
Oh, I dashed and I messed up.
What is that? I reset on a good run.
We go again. Let's go. I can so get it here. Okay, I just slowed down.
Come on.
Here we go. So no one's gotten gold yet?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Wait. Ah!
Come on, bro.
Yeah.
I need gold elims.
I'm so mad.
I need gold limbs. Yo, Nico's going through that. I don't even know how you do that. Oh, I cooked it. I think we're all just addicted to getting the time now.
What is that?
Dude, I just want to get gold.
I want to get it so bad. All right, let's go.
I don't care what y'all think. I'm getting diamond.
There is no diamond, bruh.
There's no diamond.
Yes, good, good.
Are you serious? I'm done.
Can y'all hear me spamming my spacebar right now?
Yes.
Oops. Okay, let's go. This way. Come on, I got this. Just don't cook the jump.
Oh my.
Oh gosh, I might be cooked here, chat. I might be cooked here. Go! Go! No, I'm cooked.
Man.
I don't know how I could be more perfect. Oh, yeah.
That was a not good run.
Yeah, I don't even know what happened there.
Oh my. Martin.
Let me up, Martin. Let me up right now.
Ah! I'm breaking my feet.
That's the most annoying part.
His toes.
Oh no, what did I just do?
I keep stubbing my foot. Don't want y'all thinking that I'm a bronze player.
Dude, nobody's doubting you, bruh.
The whole world is against me right now.
Oh my goodness. Let me up.
Who is bro talking to?
Yeah, I have no idea. I think he thinks that we're haters.
Dude.
Sorry, I'm so locked in right now.
It's literally the...
It's okay.
I'm so locked in too.
I am too.
I'm so close. I'm so close.
I'm just very talkative when I'm locked in. Meh. Oh, wait, that was clean.
Looks like me, I'm the opposite because I work in silence.
That was clean. Can I do the same here? No.
No, I messed up.
Oh gosh. Yo, why am I buns? Why am I buns right now?
Dude, what?
I could have made that.
I glitched.
All right.
That's such a good run and I reset.
I just got 38 again.
Bruh.
I'll give it one more go and then I give up.
It's literally like 0 seconds.
I literally got 38 seconds flat, by the way. I'm mad about that.
No, for real. Oh wait, I'm probably not gonna get it.
And why does my sprint just stop randomly? Dude!
1 second off.
Let me up the wall. Let me up. All right, I gotta get it this time, right? Let me over. Let me over. Yes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is impossible.
It's not impossible. You got this. Nah, I just watched Nico mess up.
Let me up the wall.
Oh, nah. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, you skibbity. You skibbity, let me up.
I'll be laughing when I'm really diamond.
You're not diamond.
Oh, come on. Wait, where am I at? 34, 35, 36, 37, 30. No! I was right there.
Nah, bro, silver.
I'm silver, and I think I'm gonna be silver forever. I give up.
Mad because I got the diamond camo suit.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys. Hey guys, today we're playing Mystic Rest Stop, a game where we're working the night shift at a gas station. And apparently we're in a city that's literally a ghost town.
This happened just a few years ago. To this day, when I tell people what I went through that night, many can't find an explanation for what I experienced. Sometimes they say it was my mind playing tricks on me, but there's one thing I'm absolutely certain of. That feeling of being watched was real, very real, and I should have paid more attention.
Now apparently this game is also based off of a true story. Hold W to accelerate and S to brake. Well, I hope I don't have to brake whatsoever. And I'm not gonna lie, it's very dark, and this car
is really weird to turn. I don't like driving in forests like this, and I also don't like the music that's happening because it just makes me think that something's gonna walk into the road. Ugh.
Driving on these roads wasn't very pleasant. The constant feeling of not being alone lingered.
Okay, I saw the gas station sign up there. Yeah, I definitely don't think I'm alone. There's probably something in the woods. What about my back seat? Okay, no. I think we're chilling. Can this car not go any faster? I'm pretty sure I'm flooring it right now, and we're going 0 miles an hour on the dash. All right, now where's this gas station? I gotta clock in for my shift. Oh, this road is way too long. I'm gonna get jump scared or... Oh, God. Okay, we didn't get jump scared. First day of work. I'm gonna hope that the first day has nothing bad happening. Oh, my God.
It wasn't the best job ever. Being here alone at night isn't exactly comforting, but I didn't have better things to do either.
All right, well, I guess the only thing we could do is start our first day on the job. I'm not really sure when this game takes place, but it feels like I'm in like the 1970s.
I received a message from Dana in which she told me where the keys were.
Well, where's the message from Dana? I'm not seeing any messages from her. Do I have a phone I need to pull out? Oh, okay, apparently you can lean in the game. That's kind of cool. I'm probably gonna use that to peek around corners. Now, where is this message from Dana? What? I'm gonna press every button on my keyboard. Maybe a phone will come up or something. Oops.
I didn't have any money at that moment.
Okay, this guy, whenever he talks, he's just talking in the past tense. I didn't have any money at that moment. Am I like remembering this or something? Also, it's very dark. Oh, hello? I can't go into the bathrooms? Oh, I can't even see what's going on. The screen's black for you guys. It's black for me too. Like literally, what am I supposed to be looking for? Oh, I see a generator. The lights are now on. Okay, but that's not where the keys are. I need the keys, don't I? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Those lights did not help at all. Oh, wait. Now I can see inside. Is there a message from Dana anywhere? Okay, where would the message from Dana be? This makes no sense. Oh, the button's tab. That's how I open my phone. Well, thanks for telling me that, game. I had no idea how to turn it on. Okay, there we go. Message Dana. Hello, hello. All right, power. Head to the right. Yeah, I already turned on the power. Look for the gas station keys in the repair workshop to the left. They're in the gray drawers. Okay, repair workshop to the left. Ah, over here. This music is terrifying me. Okay, gray drawers. Here we go. Where's the keys at? Is it underneath? Aha. I found you. No, let me click you. Let me click you. Hello? How do I pick up the keys? Bruh. I'm trying to click on it. It's not letting me click it. What do you mean? All right, time to press every button on my keyboard again. Oh, maybe I have to crouch and then pick it up. Ah, I was just too far away. Okay, cool. Now I can... Oh my God. Who the heck are you and what the heck are you doing here? You almost gave me a heart attack. There's no need to panic. I'm Doofus, the morning shift guy. Okay, well, I'm the night shift guy. Oh my God, I actually... dude. She mentioned they hired someone new, but she didn't tell me when you'd be starting. Anyways, you know, there's almost no signal out here. It's hard to stay updated on the news. There's no signal out here, so how in the world am I gonna watch YouTube while I work? Anyway, what are you doing in the workshop? You should be at your post. Well, the keys are here. That's why. That's strange. She probably didn't realize I'd be around to give them to you. Are you sure you work here, dude? What are you insinuating? Nothing. Anyways, I wouldn't recommend leaving the gas station unless it's really necessary. What do you mean? You know, even though this is a gas station, you're still in a forest, and behind those trees, there's all kinds of animals. All right, I'll keep that in mind. Keep the customer reviews positive. Dana doesn't like complaints. All right, got it. Keep the doors closed and check the cameras before opening. All right, I should start my shift now. It's important to remember not to just let anyone in. Even though it's a quiet road, sometimes there are people with bad intentions. What do you mean? Good luck on your first day. Wait, no, you can't just say that and then... Really, bro? Okay, so we gotta keep the doors shut. We gotta keep customer reviews positive, and we gotta make sure not to let anyone sus in. How do I know if they're sus or not? What if they just look like a regular guy and then they kill me? All right, is there any way to get a flashlight in here? I should log into the computer. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember that message from Dana. Turn on the computer as soon as you enter, and the password's 1234. Easy. All right, open PC. Okay, Moon Gas Dana. I thought Dana was a lady. I didn't know it was a guy. 1234. Enter. Ah, it's time to play some solitaire. Test your reaction. Okay, honestly, this game looks kind of scary. Should I? All right, let's play. Whatever. 3, 2, 1. Okay. When the screen becomes green, you click. Huh, 249. Hold on, let me try again. I can get a better reaction time. Watch. Yeah, 192. All right, my reaction time's kind of buns, I know. Anyways, get me out of this game. What else we got in here? Camera disabled, audio only. Wait, what? Yo, this is like Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my goodness. I can check everywhere around the station. I need to fix camera 2 though, because it's disabled. All right, well, thank you very much. Objective, clean the tables. All right, well, I didn't really realize this was a diner. I thought it was just a gas station. I got a new message though. Jarrett, what do you want?
Hey, how's your first day going? What time are you getting off? I'm playing some games with my brother and we're staying up late. Remember to update next week. They're releasing a new map and weapons.
Yo, stop wasting my time, Jarrett. I don't have time to play games. I'm working my job right now. Now, which tables do I gotta clean? This one. Hold E. Oh, God. Okay. Do I have to pick that up? Oh, I do. Yeah, I don't know why. Just pick it all up in one swoop, dude. We don't need to make this a 2-trip. Okay. I don't even know how I'm holding all this stuff. I got that Minecraft inventory. 64 blocks. Thank
Thank you. Someone's knocking at the door? Brother. Diner's closed, bud. It was better to check the surveillance system before opening the door. Oh. All right, that makes sense. Okay, so whenever someone comes in, let's check the cameras just to make sure they're not sus. Cam 1. Oh, is he sus? I mean, he's just a dude. Am I really allowed to just discriminate him for looking sus? I don't trust any man that comes here at like 3 a.m., but guess I'll open the door for him. Hi. Ugh. Ew, never mind. Never mind. I'm good. Okay, I probably need to talk to him. Hi. Are you gonna kill me? Oh, God.
Oh my god, I thought you weren't gonna open the door.
Yeah, we're open 24/7. What do you need?
I need fuel at pump 2, quickly. I don't want to be here long.
So I gotta pump people's gas for them? Dude, what are we in? The 1900s?
Thank you very much.
All right, do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thanks for using our services.
So you're the new one they've brought in. Aren't you concerned about not hearing the warnings from the townspeople? Just remember, if you see anything unusual, don't go outside and don't let anyone in. We can't afford any more disappearances.
Thank you.
Sometimes the forest seems quieter than it really is. Good night.
Yeah, good night. I'll see you later. All right, so he's saying to be very careful because apparently it's very dangerous to work here. Now, do I want to know? Oh, 2 a.m. Yo, this game is reminding me so much of Five Nights at Freddy's. It's giving me that off vibe. Okay, objective, go to the outdoor bathroom. Ah, brother. That's where it was like extremely dark though. Okay, they said not to leave any doors open, so we're gonna close that. And now I gotta go to the outdoor bathroom. Okay. Why is the bathroom outdoor? I have no idea. Okay, is someone gonna be around this corner? No? Okay, we're good. Wait, what do I have to do here again? It just told me to go to the bathroom. Do I have to clean the toilets? I can't even see nothing. Yo, for real, game. You gotta turn your... What just happened? Wait, I can pee? Press C key to pee. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, no, this is a great part of the game. Let's just add peeing with a black screen so I can't see anything. Am I done? I still hear pee, but I don't see a stream. All right, well, that was useless. Why are we adding pee mechanics into the game? Let me go back to the gas station where I can actually see because... Oh my god. Oh, it's so loud. All right, what do you gotta say, Dana? Hi, there's a box that arrived this afternoon in the kitchen area. Could you grab it and take it to the pantry, please? Yeah, I can go grab your box from the kitchen area, I guess. What kind of deliveries we getting over here at the gas station? Especially at like 3 a.m. Makes no sense, dude. Yeah, right. So where's the kitchen area exactly, Dana? Is this the kitchen back here? Hello? Oh, no. Ooh, a radio. Is there anyone on here? I don't know. I didn't hear anything. Cash only. Well, good thing I'm here. Am I right? All right. Where's the kitchen? Am I just in the wrong building right now? Is the kitchen over here? Car wash? No. This is definitely not where the kitchen would be. Oh, makes sense. I'm just kind of dumb. All right. This is the kitchen area. Press C to pick up the object. A bunch of raisins, bruh. Do I gotta restock raisins? Who's eating all this? Oh my god. All right, fine. Raisins, I'm guessing you go here. No? Down here, right? Nope, that's not raisins. That's bubble gum. Looks the exact same. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Let me close this door. Before I do anything else, I'm just gonna make sure that's shut. All right, raisins. Where? Dude, am I dumb? Where do you put the raisins? She wants me to put it in the pantry. Okay. So now I can open this door. Okay. Wait, shift completed. I was changing my settings. Yo, what? I was trying to fix the brightness so I could actually see a little better. Space to eat cereals. Okay. I guess I'm eating cereals. Are we taking this from Five Nights at Freddy's sister location? When you eat the popcorn? I can tell this game is definitely inspired by that. How long do you want me to eat cereal for, gang? Am I supposed to listen to the TV? Was I spamming too many cereals? I'm not hearing anything. It's just muffled talking. All right, more cereal. Just gonna keep eating my cereal for the next hour. Apparently, it's like unlimited. You just don't run out of cereal. Wait, game, is there anything I can do other than eating cereals and listening to a muffled TV right now? I've eaten like 1,000 cereals, finally. Oh my god. What's the point? Why?
Second day of work.
Alright, so now I assume all the bad stuff's gonna happen. Yo, turn off this radio! I'm not trying to listen to that music, bruh. Okay, now, I can't use the computer, so... What? Where did you come from? Who are you?
Could you attend to me when you get a moment?
Of course, what would you like to order?
I'd love to order the house burger.
Alright, how would you like your sides?
Surprise me, but don't overdo it.
And a drink?
Surprise me, but no water.
Alright, it'll be ready in about 15 minutes.
You're the new one, Arthur, aren't you?
How do you know my name?
Well, the town is very small, and news travels fast, but your name is on the badge of your uniform. So tell me, have you seen any ghosts yet?
I've heard about them. That's what everyone's saying.
I don't think ghosts are the worst you'll encounter in this area.
Wait, what are you talking about?
So many hours here, alone in the dark, and this forest is not a good kind of solitude.
What do you mean?
There are things that are inevitable, like a tradition, and we're destined for them whether we like it or not, so that everything continues its course.
Yo, I don't get it. What?
Oh, sorry. You know, spending so many hours on the road just looking at forests drives some people crazy. Let me place my order in peace.
Bro, am I the only one confused by these conversations that are going on? Like, what are these people even saying to me? Hi, Jarrett. What do you want? I looked into what you told me. That guy said there are thousands of urban legends. Okay, yeah, I don't... Jarrett, stop texting me, bruh. Months ago, 2 kids disappeared when they ventured in to investigate those legends. All right, so some kids disappeared in the forest. That doesn't mean they're haunting me, guys. Come on. I guess I gotta go to the kitchen and make this guy's order. He just said surprise him, so what if I give him like a piece of bread? Oh, I think I just hold E on the stove to cook him something. What am I cooking? I didn't even grab any ingredients. I'm cooking up a pile of dung for you, bro. And done. Oh, apparently I just made all that. All right. Burger, french fry, and I got you. I don't know what's in the cup, but here you go. All right. Now, Dana, what do you want, Dana? Hey, kid, there's a new update for the computer system. You need to install the programs and complete the task. It'll ask you for a code 1428. Okay, so install the programs and complete the update. And the code is 1428. Well, I can do that. Whoa, my God. What just happened? I didn't even press anything. I'm in the console. I just need to update the computer. It's a good thing that I'm good with computers. Do I just let the update happen? When are you going to ask me for a code? It was 1428, right? How did I already forget? 1428. Okay, command code 1428. Boom, restore. Select the items you want to restore upon restart. All of them, I guess. I'm just going to reset browsing history, sessions. All right, 1428. Reset everything. Why do we have like a Windows 10 update symbol, but then some very old text? I guess I'm just updating. Oh, wait.
I turned off all the lights, leaving only the necessary ones. I didn't want to risk overloading the power while the computer was updating. I stared at the flickering screen for several minutes.
Okay, what is this?
I woke up with the unsettling feeling that something was wrong. The darkness in the room seemed thicker, almost suffocating, as if the night had taken over. Although I couldn't see anything, I felt that someone or something was watching me.
Well, you don't like to hear that. How about we just go home? It's 4:10 in the morning. Dude, if we get the feeling that we're gonna die, we should probably trust our gut, and we should probably go home. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I can't see. I can't see. What am I? Yo, am I in the kitchen? All right, let me go back out to the light. Objective, clear the table. Bro, I'm supposed to... Why do you have to be so loud? Why do you have to be so loud? Hello? Is someone there? Hi? Hello? No one's answering the phone. They cut the power lines. Someone's knocking? No. I can't use the computer. I can't check the cameras. Who's out there? I'm just gonna clean the tables. Oh, God. Can I check out the window? Oh, no. Who are you? I'm not opening the door for you, bud. I'm just gonna keep working my job in here, all right? All right. Thank you very much. Is he still out there? Yep, he's still out there. Look at him. Ew. I don't want to open the door when I can't access the cameras. That's sketchy. Can I go in the pantry, maybe? Is there a flashlight anywhere by any chance? Because I am like squinting my eyes. I don't think squinting your eyes when it's dark helps. All right, you know what? Let's just walk up to the door. Let's just open the door. Hi. Oh, ew. Are those sunglasses? Or are your eyes just weird? Hi.
Oh, thank goodness, it's open. For a moment, I thought the gas station would be closed. There was barely any light.
Yeah, how can I help you?
On the way here, I noticed something was wrong with my van. Could you step outside for a moment and take a look?
I don't know much about cars.
Oh, I don't think it's such a complicated issue. I'm sure you could fix it if you step outside and take a look.
I'm sorry. Company policy doesn't allow me to leave the store.
Aren't you gonna help an old lady with her car?
Wait, you're a lady? Oh, that's my fault. Yo, okay, I was under the impression this was a dude. I'd love to help you, but I really can't leave my post.
Are you messing with me? Can't you step out and help an old lady with her van? Did it scare you? Don't you trust me?
I'm sorry.
Oh, forgive me. It's been a long day. Sometimes I have the bad habit of speaking without thinking.
Yeah, true.
Please don't hold it against me. I'm a very pleasant person. I almost forgot to tell you. Before knocking on the door, I used one of the machines you have outside, but it's broken. I put in money, and it didn't give me what I bought. Could you come out and help me?
Dude, this guy, or this lady, she's trying to bait me. Why are you trying to get me to leave the store so bad? You're gonna kill me, aren't you?
Please, I'm sure you can come out and help me to see what's wrong with the machine. I need that money.
I cannot go out to help you. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me? Are you really not gonna come out and help an old lady? I'm gonna file a complaint with the establishment and speak to your manager. Things like this can be costly, and you better be careful.
Are you threatening me?
Oh, forgive me again. Age makes me lose patience quickly.
Yeah, thank you. Just get out of here, you weirdo. Weird old lady. Trying to bait me outside so you can kill me. I know you're trying to do that.
Strange people have passed by these days, but this lady gave me the worst vibes I've ever seen.
Finally I can turn on the PC. Yes. Okay, we can log in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aha. Objective, turn on the generator. Are you serious? Yo, why does the power go out like every 5 seconds? I really don't want to go out to this generator right now. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. Unknown number. Do you like the darkness? What? Can I send something back? No, I don't like the darkness. I'm glad it's actually a little brighter out here. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I don't want to do it. I don't want to turn on the generator. He's gonna be there. Hello? Oh, my God. Okay, let's just turn this thing on so we can go back to the gas station, right? The lights are now on. I swear, if there's somebody in that gas station, I might just poop myself. I really don't want to see anybody in there. Hello? I hear noises. I hear like crumbling noises. Hi. Oh, nah. Why is the kitchen door open? Did I do that? All right, well, it looks clear. I'm gonna go inside. Hello? Oh, God. Oh, I knew you were gonna be there. I knew it. It's the morning shift guy. What up, doofus?
What are you doing out there? I told you not to go out unless it was necessary.
Dude, you're gonna give me a heart attack, doofus.
There's no need to panic. I was coming from the village, and when I passed by, I saw the whole gas station was off. I just wanted to make sure everything was okay. I sent you a message.
Everything's fine. I just updated the computer and the power went out.
My goodness, that power generator is really old. I told Dana, but she doesn't listen to me. Is everything okay? You seem a little nervous.
Yeah, let's explain the situation to him.
How strange. The town is small, but I don't recognize any older lady like you described. Maybe she's just passing through. Perhaps if I check the security cameras, I could recognize her.
Well, they weren't working when I spoke with her.
Ah, well, don't worry. She was probably a tourist just having a bad day. We always get customers like that. I'll talk to Dana. If they leave a bad review, she'll understand.
They said that they would come back tomorrow morning, though.
Alright, well, if that's the case, I'll take care of it. I'm sure she'll come around. Customers at night have less patience. I'll handle her van.
Yo, doofus, you are the goat. Thank you, bro.
You did well not to go out. These roads attract all kinds of people, and sometimes you never know what their intentions are, buddy.
Alright, why are you calling me buddy? That's a little condescending.
Well, it's better if I leave you and continue with the work. You only have a few hours left. Have a good shift, bud.
Yeah, thanks, doofus. I'm getting back to work, though. I don't know why you're popping out on me right now. Are you gonna leave me alone? No, doofus? You can go on out so I can continue with my shift. Alright, cool. Thank you. The rest of the night passed without any further incidents. Doofus mentioned that the old lady didn't appear the next day, nor did her van. She was probably just a tourist. The rest of the week went by normally, though. I have to admit, every time night fell and silence filled the gas station, I couldn't help but recall her face in that deep, raspy voice. Okay, well, honestly, there's no real threat here. It was just an old lady. How is she gonna kill us? Shift completed. Oh, is it time to go eat some more cereal and watch like a minute of that TV? I bet you it is. Wait, congratulations on completing your first week at Moon Gas Station. To celebrate this achievement, our company would like to offer you a special gift. Please select your reward by pressing one of the buttons below. Mystery box. I don't want no plant. Give me that mystery box. Okay, wait, why am I back in my house? I'm just eating cereal again? I wanted my mystery box. Don't tell me that's it right there. That doesn't look like a very cool mystery box game. I want something better. Please. What? The toilet? Yo, I made a mistake by choosing that mystery box. That was buns. Nasty little thing. Get out of here. Yo, how long am I gonna watch TV at night for? It's a white screen and it's muffled voices. Oh my god. 1 week later. So a whole week has passed of me working at this gas station. I have a feeling that old lady is most definitely coming back tonight, because why else would we be here right now? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check the cameras. First things first. Okay, cam 2 is still disabled. I don't know why. Nobody on the cameras, right? Okay, good. If there was someone on the cameras, I'd probably pee myself. What's our task? Dana, what you gotta say, huh? Hi, some boxes were left at the mechanic this morning, but Doofus hasn't had time to register them. Could you go fill out the form? Why do you want me to go fill out a form for you at the mechanic? That makes no sense. All right, well, I guess I'll do it. It doesn't seem like anything's gonna jump scare me, right? No one's gonna be in here? Surprise? Oh, mark the white boxes when you find the boxes in the storage. Yo, it's so dark in here. How am I supposed to find these boxes? I can't really see anything. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, no, all 4 of them are here. Cool. Skibberty toilet. All right, there's my notes. Arthur Brooks. Boom. Yep, there's my signature. All right, I signed for your boxes, Dana. Don't say I didn't. I didn't check a single thing, so I don't know if it was correct or not. Just get me back in the safe spot. Go to the kitchen to prepare your dinner. Wait, I can just make myself dinner in here? Well, this is the best job ever. I didn't know I could make my own food. Let's cook that thing up on this stove. This is like a magical stove, I'm not gonna lie. Last time I made burger and chicken. What am I gonna make this time? It's probably gonna be the same thing, isn't it? If I get another burger and fry, I'm just gonna... Wait, what? No. What do you mean someone's knocking at the door? I wanted my food. I was so close to cooking it, bruh. All right, let's check the cameras. I don't trust them. We gotta make sure they're not sus, okay? Cam 1. Hi. It's that old lady again. Nah, nope. I am not letting you in. Thank you very much. Can I go back to cooking my food? I really don't want to speak to her. I don't want to. She was terrorizing me last time. Oh, God. Okay, fine. Hi, old lady. What do you want? What do you want?
Oh, hello again, my friend. I'm not sure if you could help me. The car's giving me problems again. This time the headlights aren't working. Could you come out and help me check what's going on?
I can't leave.
Please, I'm sure it's something I've overlooked. With age, sometimes I forget things. Just step out for a moment and help me.
Come back tomorrow morning, okay?
Are you messing with me? Are you gonna keep stalling again?
Don't make her drive the van, okay?
I should have known you would be just as incompetent as last week.
Please leave, or else I'm gonna call the police.
Oh, sorry. I'm very tired. I didn't want to reach this point with you again.
Okay.
Yes, I'm leaving now. It's getting very late.
Yeah.
Just one thing. I've tried to treat you the best I could, and the way I've been treated has not been right. You've made all of this more complicated. Everything that happened is because you brought it upon yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna call the police.
It's time for me to go.
Aha. Are you scared about the police? You're scared they're gonna come and take you? Are you gonna leave? All right, well, I'm going back in the gas station. Objective, sit down to eat. Okay, I guess I could do that as long as the old lady left, right? All right, where do I sit down at? Over here? Ah, Yeah, burger and chicken, yes. Let's sit down. Eat that food up. Man, I really want some burgers and fries now. This is just big. Ew. What are these eating noises? Okay, and we just leave our table a mess, bruh. Yo, I'm playing as a slob right now, aren't I? Get me out. And I better clean that up. Yeah, I gotta clean up my own mess in here. I don't just leave stuff around. I can't let Doofus clean it up in the morning. Wait, I gotta go to the outdoor bathroom? Oh my god, stop. Jarrett, what do you want? Dude, I've played a couple matches with the new update. They're getting worse. I hope your night on the roads. Okay, yeah, dude, stop bothering me, Jarrett. Still just trying to work out here, and apparently I gotta go use the bathroom. I don't like going out to this bathroom. This is the dark side of the gas station. Hello? All right, women's or men's? I'm going to the men's. I assume I'm a guy, right? Oh god, I can't see anything, and that's what is that sound? Why am I hearing scary music? Is someone next to me? Is someone about to be in the stall? Oh god, oh god. I can't see. I can't see anything. Am I pooping? Am I inside the toilet? Okay, I'm just gonna pee. I'm peeing in the toilet. Oh my god, did someone enter? Why am I seeing the old lady? What? Yo, what in the world? What am I looking at? Is she underneath the stall? It's so dark. All I'm seeing is just a head. Wait a second, what? Wait, is that her decapitated head on the floor? Or is that a mask? That's a mask. Yo, that's not a real old lady. It was a fake the entire time. I knew it. It's a man. It's a 40-year-old man wearing an old lady mask. He's trying to kiss me, isn't he? He wants to make out with me very romantically. I'm closing the door. I'm going back here. Return to the gas station as soon as possible. Yeah, no, I'm inside the gas station game. Thank you very much. Let me check the cameras though. Who is that? Who is outside of the... No, 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 no. You get away from the gas station. I don't like you. I'm good. I don't think I'm gonna answer that. I don't think I want to. Who are you, dude? Oh my god. All right, okay. I feel like the game's gonna make me go open it. Oh my god.
I know you're there, my friend. I saw you come in.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you. Please open the door and come out so we can talk better. It's uncomfortable not being able to speak.
Please leave right now.
I've tried to be...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this is my final warning. Leave now. Leave or I'll call the police, dude. Okay, I can open my phone and send a message to Dana.
Big mistake.
What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Let me talk to Dana. Let me talk to Dana. I can't go back. How do I go back to Dana? Dana, help. Help me. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, no. Send the message. Send the message. Dana, send the message to Dana. What's going on? I'm calling the police. Get into the back pantry, close the door, and don't come out no matter what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, back pantry. Back pantry. I can't see anything. It's so dark. It is so dark. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's stay in the pantry. Oh god. I don't like being here. I don't like it. Hello? Someone? That's not the correct entrance. You know we got a door. You know you don't need to break through the window like that. The door was unlocked. Yo, I hear them rustling around over there. Are they in the kitchen? Okay. If you were hungry, you could have just told me. I could have cooked us up some food. You know, I'm actually really good at making burgers and fries. Like, hey, whoever's out there, you want me to make you something? You want me to make you something? It's not safe to go out. Okay, well, I thought it was just another hungry fella. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go play video games on our phone. Wait, Dana, the police are on their way. Stay locked in the pantry. Hang in there. Oh, don't worry about me, Dana. I am chilling. Can I play video games? No, 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 no. No one's in here. No one's in here. No one's in here. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is the police? Please, Dana, give me some good news. The police are already here. Come out. You're safe. No. I feel like you're lying. This is not Dana, is it? That's probably the scary man. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the police to do their thing first, okay? Then I'll come out. But thanks, Dana. Don't really trust you. Or should I trust her? All right, fine, fine. Open up. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so dark. It's so dark. Oh, but the police are outside. Yes. Okay. Police, you're here to help, right? Oh, we just got a black screen. Did I win? Did I win or did I lose?
I explained everything that happened to the police. When they investigated, they only found around the gas station a mask of an elderly woman and the rest of the clothes that person was wearing. The cameras were only able to record the moment when the person was wearing the mask. So when they took it off, the camera stopped working due to a power outage. No one could give me a clear answer other than attempted robbery at the gas station. Whoever that person was, I'm sure they didn't intend to steal, but rather had bad intentions towards me. I stopped working at the gas station after what happened.
Yeah, no, good idea. I'm pretty sure that person was trying to kidnap me. I don't think they were trying to steal anything. They really wanted me. Now, I don't know if there was a 40-year-old man under that mask, but whoever it was definitely trying to make out with me, and that's weird. But that's the end of the game. I don't think I'm ever gonna work the night shift at a gas station. I wasn't really planning on it. I would probably pee myself. That's too terrifying. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so we can hit 1 million on this channel, please. And also leave a like if you liked the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Okay, so apparently in Japan, there's this popular game named Suika, and it's one of these games where you have to try and match the fruits to eventually get to a watermelon at the end. Like, that's how you win. win. But for some reason, there's a new version of this game blowing up, which is like a remake. And this is what it looks like. I see Japanese text and I don't understand anything except it looks exactly like the game. Hold on. Let me just translate this. Oh no. Okay, it says don't grow watermelons. So I'm guessing something bad will happen if you get to the end of this game. This is reminding me a little bit about Sprunky. Let's full screen this and let's just try and play. Okay, I'm not really scared. I'm guessing the goal actually is just to make a watermelon. I know something scary will happen, but how else am I gonna see it? Okay, we got a grape. Oh, wait, hold on. So the watermelon's right there at the end. Bro, you're telling me I have to go all the way through this thing? Okay, whatever. I mean, we got oranges. I'm chilling. Yes, give me all the oranges. Oh, how am I gonna combine these two now? Bro, we got a strawberry. Oh, this is bad. Okay, hold on. Strawberry there. Orange, you can go right here. Yeah, have fun. Sit right there. Strawberry, you go right there. Boom. And then we got another orange. Oh, watch this. Boom. Those apples just combined into it. Is that a cantaloupe? I think it is. Grape, you gotta go in the middle. Oh, perfect. Wait, hold on. Am I actually kind of goated? Watch me get this first try. Give me that watermelon. Oops, I kind of messed that one up. Okay, boom. 2 cantaloupes. I kind of wish they were next to each other, though. I think I fumbled a little bit. All right, grape, you'll go right there. And then another orange. Dude, all my cantaloupes are gonna be split up. How am I supposed to combine them? Oh, God. Okay, no, we're fine. You know what? Hold on. Let me put a strawberry right here. Should I just start spamming? I feel like I can go way faster. Boom, 3 cantaloupes. Come on, just combine with each other. If I put an orange here, oh yeah, there we go. What is that? Is that a peach or something? I have no idea. I'm just gonna ignore it. It just looks like a pink circle to me. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we got an orange. Put that there. I'm cooking right now. Hold on. 2 apples, and I got split cantaloupes again. I'm either doing really good or really bad right now. I can't really tell, to be honest. Oh, watch this though. Grape in there. No, come on. You gotta okay, it's fine. The orange will go right there, and then I combine these two. Bro, am I buns at this? They're all like shifting upwards now. Oh yeah, I touched that other orange. Boom. Oh, dude, are you serious? And I just split them up. Okay, I'm not thinking straight right now. I gotta do a little better. Here we go. There we go. Now we got 2 of these pink circles. They're still split up though, so they can't combine just yet into the pineapple right there. So basically my goal right now is just to get 2 pineapples and eventually combine. Oh, I don't even know what just happened, but I got a pineapple. I think a million things combined all at once. Well, that's perfect. We are so back. Grape, you go there in the corner. Thank you. Orange. Oh God, wait, don't give me a strawberry. Bruh, I hate the strawberries. All right, fine. You go right there. Now we got another grape. Perfect. Yeah, keep giving me more grapes, game. Thank you very much. Orange. Boom. We got another cantaloupe. I just need 1 more pineapple and I can make a watermelon with it as long as they're not split up. I feel like this pink circle in the middle is going to be a little hard to deal with, but it's fine. Boom. Orange. Oh yeah, watch this. Double orange. Okay, we got a grape. Grape, you can go right there. And then orange, you go there. Perfect. Watch this. Double apple. Boom. And now hit that cantaloupe. Come on. I need these 2 to touch. Yo, this grape in the middle is fumbling right now. Grape, can you move? Oh my God. How do I do this? Okay, maybe I can place a grape in the middle. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? I cannot fumble this right now. I have 2 pineapples right next to each other. Can we lock in, please? No. Cantaloupe, you get out of the way, buddy. Don't you mess this up for me right now. Am I gonna have to make another pineapple right now? Brother Martin, don't make me do this. Okay, grapes. Boom. More grapes? I don't need more grapes. Oh my God. Yeah, give me an orange. There we go. Boom. Apple. I feel like I'm a kindergartner right now. My commentary is not something I expect I would say. I'm getting freaked out over this. Oh, okay. There we go. We got another pink circle object thing. I think we're actually doing good. If I can combine that and then make another pineapple, we're gonna have 3 pineapples. Whatever. Boom. There's a cantaloupe. Strawberry, you go right there. Grape, you go right there. Watch me speedrun this. Boom. Strawberry. Give me another grape. Oh yeah, orange. I'll take it. Give me another apple right there. Oh, you went in the wrong section, buddy. It's fine though. Watch this. As soon as I get another orange, I'm gonna land it on here. It's gonna combine to the apple, make another cantaloupe, and then yeah, no, I know what I'm doing. You guys just need to give me time to cook. Watch. Here we go. Here's the strat. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my God. Did you really just try and jump scare me with... Wait, what is this? Yo, this watermelon looks AI generated. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, am I supposed to get to the end with this? No, wait, I'm not... Ew, why does it make that sound? I don't think I like that sound. Okay, I can still get to the end. Wait, I think if I cook here... Wait, these sizes are weird. I don't think this is the same size as that. All right, you'll go in the middle. Oh, this is bad. Wait, I don't know if I'm doing good anymore. I can't really even tell. You can go right there, I guess. And then combine there. All right, how are these 2 not the same size? Wait, what? Am I dumb? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yep, we just got a chain reaction. Okay, you go right there. And then, oh, this little one. This one is so tiny. Oh, that's gonna mess me up. Watch this, though. Boom. I thought that was gonna combine way more. Honestly, I'm not as good as I thought. There we go. Okay, I like when we get the chain reactions. You can combine with you. Yes, roll over. And hit that thing. Boom. I act like I know what I'm doing. I really don't. I'm trying to strategize the best I can here. Comments are gonna yell at me, telling me that I'm bunt at this game if I don't. Boom. Watch that. See? And boom. Okay, I want y'all to comment right now and say I'm the most goated player you've ever watched. What was that masterpiece that I just created? Okay, small, you go there. I need a big one, please. Oh, here we go. Yes, boom. And then small, boom, big, boom. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking. Okay, small. I can't even tell if this one's big or small. I think it's big. Boom. Oh, shoot. Okay, you'll go right there. And then small goes right there. Perfect. I'm combining. I think my puzzle brain is activating right now. I used to be really dumb in school, but not anymore. Teachers ain't gonna laugh at me. Who's the dumb kid now? Yeah, I'm doing kindergarten puzzles. I wonder what the high score in this game actually is. Boom. Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on. I'm doing well right now, I think.
Oh, yes, bloody.
Boom, boom. And then you combine there. Yes. Create a chain reaction. Come on. Right here. Watch. This is gonna be the biggest chain reaction ever. I place this in the middle and boom, boom, boom. Oh, wait. This is kind of symmetrical right now. I hate having the small ones at the bottom, though. They're kind of not locked in right now. Okay, small. You go there. Oh, another small. Boom. And then you two combine. Perfect. And then you combine with you. Perfect. Oh, God. Wait. What do I do now? Okay, you go right there. I'm just trying to put all the small ones in the corner. I feel like that's the best strat. Like this one, you go in that corner. And then you can combine here. Touch. Come on. Oh, you were so close. It's fine, though. Come on. Push it. Push it. Ah, that's fine. Combine those two. And then, oh, wait. That's not a small. Oh, I'm getting confused now. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, we're cooking with gas, bro. Small? Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Boom. Oh, God. I don't think I'm cooking anymore. I'm kind of worried. Wait, can I drop you right here? Please. Ah. Yo, that small's got to move out of the way, bro. Oh, no. I'm fumbling. Yes, there we go. These two. And then, oh, no. We're filling up the tank, bro. We are not cooking as much as I thought. This is embarrassing. I was so confident in the beginning. Now I think I'm dead. I think you can combine there. Okay. I don't like the way these things are staring at me right now. You go there. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, what just happened? I didn't even see that. Oh, you're so close. Come on, bro. Okay, watch me cook, though. I brought it back once before. I can do it again. Yeah, there we go. Wait, where do you... Oh, you don't match with anybody. No. Come on. I need you to get out of my way, sir. Oh, there we go. These small ones are the bane of my existence. I can't keep taking the small ones, bruh. Oh, there we go. Wait, don't overfill. I feel like if it overfills, I'm dead. Can you fit? Can you fit? Yes, you can. Oh, thank goodness. Bro, this is getting real hard now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I can do this. Am I a loser for giving up? I don't want to give up. I want to play this till the end. But if I die, I'm gonna restart. Ain't no way I'm losing to a kindergarten game. I'm sorry, guys. Boom. No. Ah, are you serious? And then it makes me restart. Okay, at least now I actually know what I'm doing. Listen, we gotta split up all of these guys. Strawberries are only going on the left side from now on. Oh God, wait, we got a grape. Okay, that makes it just a little bit harder, I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. Dude, we already got 2 apples just like that. You need to go that way, pal. All right, strawberry, you're going in the middle. Yes, yes. Okay, grape, you can go in the middle. Orange, combined with that cantaloupe. Oh, I forgot, there's an apple in between. Dude, I'm gonna have 2 cantaloupes again. Okay, hold on, I can push it with this orange though. I'm cooking this time. Wait, I'm actually doing this way faster than before now. Go in the middle, orange. Yes. Oh, yeah. Boom. I like how I'm actually getting hype over this game. I feel like I'm doing well now. Combine. And now you 2 oranges combine. Thank you. Oh, God. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, jeez. Wait, this is bad. We got 2 cantaloupes. No, this happens every single time, bro. This is embarrassing. As long as I can get another apple, though, it's chill. Game, give me another apple. Or just, yeah, there we go. Okay, okay. I just need those 2 to, no.
Brother. Oh, my God. I need you 2 to touch, please. Pause.
I'm about to have 3 pink circles in here. Oh, we got a pineapple. All right, not bad. Told y'all I was cooking. Hold on. Let's just get this grape out of here real quick. Boom. We got an apple now. Boom. Dude, these little gaps, they're gonna kill me. Ah, you skibidi. Oh, yeah, hit that. No, dude.
I'm so sick of these oranges not touching. There we go. Boom. Gripus medusi.
Brother, how do I have 3 apples on here? Am I buns? Please don't say I'm buns. Okay, now 2 pineapples. This is embarrassing, bro. How are you not touching? Oh, there we go. Yes. Okay. Bring those 2 up. Yes.
I need y'all to combine, please. Please.
Can I push this apple? No, I can't. I'm about to crash out. What is this? Yo, come on. Come on. No, you're going the wrong way. No, this is bad. We have 3 apples, 3 cantaloupes, and 2 pineapples. Why is nobody combining? Just make 1 watermelon, please. I have 4 apples. Can y'all just combine? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes.
I love it.
And now watch this. Boom. Boom. Okay, that's fine. Now it's time to lock in. All right, watermelon there. This one, you go there. And then you combine. And now you go right there. Yup, you go there. And then these will go in the center. Okay, I gotta combine you right there. And then you can go in the middle. Oh, yes. I never felt so smart in my life. See, I said that last round and then I died. So maybe I should stop being so overconfident. It's probably for the best. Okay, there we go. I want to get the max win. I need the max win. Please, bro. There you go. If I don't win the game this time, I'm gonna choke out my mic. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big juicy one. Oh yeah. No, a small one just got trapped. Okay, that's fine. I think we can still win either way, right? I hope so. Boom. I need this one to go down. Perfect. Okay, see, this is where it gets a little hard because I'm running out of space now and I don't have anything to combine with. Boom. Oh no, not the small ones. I don't like the small ones. Honestly, this watermelon looks kind of sad. Y'all seeing that? It's like a sad smile. I feel like it's just misunderstood. Maybe we should have been nicer to it or something. Or maybe a watermelon is not actually living. Somebody just cut those eyes and that mouth in it. Y'all can't be so scared of a watermelon all the time. Come on. Okay, I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. Never mind. There you go. Oh yeah, I'm doing it now. But I'm kind of close to the edge. Boom, boom. Oh god, we're getting very close there. Martin, please, don't fill up the line. Oh god, I need you guys to touch, please. I have no room. I have no room, bro. Am I cooked here, chat? Yo. Oh, just barely. Oh my god. Okay, think I'm saving it. I don't really know. Oh, I am not saving it. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. Nah, I just got launched upwards, bro. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been playing this round super silently, but look at how much I'm cooking right now. Let me not jinx myself, though. Boom. Oh, watch this. I don't even have to do anything. They're gonna slowly roll towards each other. Yes. Touch. Yes. Okay, now it just needs a little boost. Here goes nothing. Boom. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I thought the pineapple was the goal here. I forgot. I need 2 of them. Oh, God. This is where I start fumbling, bro. What am I doing? Never mind. Wasn't even worried about it. I don't think I've ever been so locked in over a kid's game, guys. I'm just trying to win. I'm not gonna get rage baited by this, all right? There we go. Oh, what? Oi, Martin. This music's starting to get to me. I feel like I'm in elementary school again. What is this? Oh, yeah, watch this. Boom. I need these 2 cantaloupes to kiss or something, please. Oh, they're looking at each other. That's cute. Should I just give them like a little push? Yeah. Okay, that's not working. We got another apple here in the middle. Oh, here we go. Still keeps surprising me. All right, now I'm locked. This time I'm actually not fumbling. You can go in the middle here, buddy. Yes, good. Combine now. Aha, okay. Already off to an amazing start, I see. I love it. You go in the middle. You go in the middle. Boom. And then boom. You gotta find the middle of these circles and then use that to your advantage. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm making any sort of sense here. These 2 can combine, right? Yes. Oh, yes. You gotta make sure not to stack too many different sizes on top of each other because that's when you're really cooked. Boom. You guys think I'm smart, right? I hope so. Okay, you go there. Come on, this is an amazing start. Don't cook me now, game. Please. I'd probably cry. Boom. Okay, it's starting to fill up a little bit, but I'm not worried. I'm a little worried. Oh, God. Gotta make some sacrifices here. There we go. You can combine right there. Oh, God, don't fall in there. Aw, that was my special little circle, bro. I need to do better, bruh. Boom. Yes. Yes. Now you 2 need to combine, please. All right, fine. Don't do it then. Yes, they're gonna touch. Oh, I love it. I love this. Our position is great here. We just need to not fumble. Why am I doing a peace sign right now? I need the big ones only. Big ones, please. Yes. And now you can go right in the middle. Oh, come on. Just touch. Pause. Small ones go in the corner. That's what we've agreed on in this game. Yes, you slide right down there. Oh my God, bro. You make me so mad. Give me a big one. Okay, yes. I swear, bro. I'm not trying to lose this 3 times in a row. Oh, we getting up there, bruh. Okay, please somehow touch that one. Aw, really? No, they're getting so close. Where do I put you? I'll put you right there. Oh, okay. Or just go in the middle. Yeah, it's totally not like you're blocking off all the small ones now. Thanks, bro. Can you fit right there? Oh, you can. This is good, I think. Oh, this is not good, I think. Oh, never mind. This is phenomenal, I think. Oh, bro, I am a D1 fumbler. What am I doing? Y'all hear that? That was so satisfying. Oh my goodness. This might be the one. I don't want to jinx myself though. I really do not want to jinx myself right now. Oh my God. Don't make me fumble, game, please. Y'all think you can do this first try? Because I'm not gonna lie, I looked at this game and I was like, bro, that's so slight work. Then I actually played it and I was like, oh wow, okay. Martin, I really hate the fact that the small one just went there, but it's savable, I think. Boom. Okay, y'all pushing up on each other like that, it's making it a little hard. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. Just stick to the plan, Cash. You know what the plan is, right? We combine these 2, that makes that big one. Oh, okay, we're getting a little close to the top. Let's watch it. Let's watch it now. Don't get too excited. Oh, maybe we can get excited. Yes, that's what I wanted. No, these 2 are so close together, but they need a touch. Yes, touch, yes. Oh, all this video is just me reacting with weird sounds. I'm sorry. I just want to win. Oh, Oh my, yo, why are we up so high? I need you to like fall down, Mr. Watermelon. Please. Yes, I'm just gonna let that small one like slip on past. Keep going up. Yup. Take your time. All right, I'm gonna place you right here. No, wait, this is high key bad. Like high key bad. I need this to go to the bottom because it's blocking all my space up. Oh no. Oh no, we're very close to the top. I can't even place that. Why is this so hard? Huh? Who made this game? Who made this beat? Oh, we're very close. Oh my God. I can't. Why am I so buns, bro? Dude, we have 3 huge watermelons right now. I'm sorry, guys. I've been so locked in. I've just been playing silently. I forgot to commentate. This is like a brain tease. Oh, no. You weren't supposed to go down there. Oh, God. This is bad. Oh, this is real bad. Bro, can these two just touch, please? Y'all are so close to each other. There we go. I'm so sad. Dude, that is so close to the top right now. Oh. Oh, that one's coming up. Yes. Thank you. Thanks, bro. No, it's peeking. Oh my gosh. How do I get out of this situation? Bro, this is bad. This is real bad. No! You have got to be kidding me. Oh my God. I've been playing for an hour now. Dude, I think I'm cooked here. Bro. Nice. Oh, Martin. I might be cooking. Oops, got one trapped in there. Oh. Yo, that was nasty. Close one. Yes, go to the middle. Yes, I love it. Bro. It barely touched. You've got to be kidding. Look how close I got. Oh my God. I'm looking through everybody's videos. I don't think anybody even got to the end. I'm trying to see what the ending looks like, but everyone's failing too. So I'm not dumb. It's not just me, right? Okay, good. Well, guys, if you want me to try again, let me know. And if this video does well, I will beat the game. But I spent over 2 hours doing this and I just can't right now. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Click another video on your screen here if you want to. And subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace.